Hello. Welcome in. Oh, you're very welcome to go. Expecting a lot, as I've heard a lot while in my castle, awaiting for the right moment to awake from my slumber. Ah, what is a man? A little pile of secrets. Good to meet you. Welcome in, guys. We are... Oh, Finish is not muted. I was very confused. We are playing Scriblio tonight with a whole bunch of fantastic people. Miserable little pile of secrets. Exactly, Lee got it. Thank you for the follow. Thank you for the raid, Lee. Sorry, I was getting all my shit set up. I just woke up. Anyone who's not already following Lee, he's very good people. Definitely give him a follow. It's free and it's nice to show appreciation for the people who appreciate us. Yeah, nice to meet you too. Welcome to the Neeks Network. All the people are in the title at the top. They're all very fun. We should have a lot of fun tonight. So, yeah. But without further ado, I think everyone else is waiting on me now. So I'm going to jump back, and we're just going to jump right into it. Good to see everyone.
For a while.
Okay, I'm back. I'm back.
Welcome back.
Welcome back. Welcome back.
I just had to
I've had like
say my highs and my to-dos.
to do.
Yeah, my-
Live.
Jurgen, do you have the ability to sound check me versus everyone else, or do you want or no? Because if not, it's okay.
Give me a second.
Thank you.
1,
Two.
I'm gonna get murdered.
Hi, Miss Ayana. Yes, there's not anything raunchy on the screen earlier. I was literally talking about immortality earlier, and and the funny thing is every time Ayana jumped in, it was like a sexual scene, and I'm like, and she's like, I'm gonna dip right back out. I'm like, that's fair. That's fair.
Probably for the best.
There was one scene I could not show. That I was just like, okay, I'm gonna click away from this.
So yeah, your sound quality, you're pretty well even with everyone.
Sweet.
You're slightly louder, which is good.
That's always how I am.
Lucky
That's the way I feel.
Charms,
Thank you.
thanks for the follow.
I appreciate it. I appreciate you. Lucky Charms.
Mhm.
Love that.
But yeah, no,
Lucky
that
Charm, how
Immortal
you do?
game was
I
so
have
weird.
Charms.
That Immortal game was really weird.
All right.
You know, that is a good idea.
Does everyone kind of know Scriblio?
No,
Kind of know.
but
Yeah.
you did say it's
No.
drawing and guessing, so that's as much as I know.
Yeah.
Well, yeah.
So one person
You had some time.
each round gets chosen to be the drawer. They get a choice between 3 words. They choose a word, and then they have to draw that word. But they to max. So basically, the people have to try and guess it as quickly as they can. You know, it goes in like maximum points down to lowest points, depending on like the order of people who join. Your aim is to get obviously the most points. The best thing about people who are drawing, if you are able to sort of try and not get them to guess it so quickly, the longer it takes people to guess, the more points you get. So, and if obviously they don't guess it, you get points, a lot of points. Then it's great. So yeah, I've set it to 90 seconds draw time, so that's a minute and a half. That should be plenty of time, especially with how many words I have added.
Okay.
Should we
I
be
have, like,
afraid?
Normal stuff.
I have to open up
Do you also
everyone's.
wanna tap that or use custom words only, maybe?
No,
So that there's
no,
only
because-
the custom words?
No, because if it's only the custom words, then we don't get any of their cool words. So
Fair enough.
this is just a lot of words.
Wait, I have a question.
Yes.
Do you guess verbally, or is there something?
You have to type it.
in
No, you
the-
type
and-
you type your guesses in here.
I think it tells you if
So
you're
you have
close
to
as
type
well,
it.
right? I think
Yes.
it-
Yeah.
Oh, okay,
so
okay.
if you're close, it's just like, oh, close. Like
Yeah, so if-
maybe you've got like the wrong letter or
you're
something.
misspelling something.
Yeah, I am going to
Thank you
be
for following me,
absolutely
boy.
terrible. I'm going to be absolutely terrible at this because my keyboard doesn't want to work. If any of you have noticed when I've been in your chat and I've typed something and like a word's like missing, there's like an A missing or a Y missing or an S missing, that is because my keyboard keeps thinking that key doesn't work anymore. So it's like
Those are some important letters.
I have to smack the keyboard to get it to work and understand me. So yeah.
Oh god, you guys gonna hear a cat for a bit. I'm sorry ahead of time.
Meow.
Meow.
Yeah.
He gets upset.
My buddy
He gets
Lee's.
upset when his owner leaves.
That is a tomcat from the street right there.
Yargan,
Alrighty,
Lee was like, I came in during the sexual parts, and I was like, that doesn't narrow it down.
Okay, Yargan is our drawer for the first round.
Oh, shit,
Oh, no.
shit. I should probably have this
Good
open.
luck.
This is gonna be a Windows capture, I'm guessing.
Yeah,
Oh, God.
window capture, yeah.
It's a two-letter word. It's a two-letter word.
Can I full screen this shit? Can I? Can I full screen this shit?
Oh, is it?
Everyone's playing the game. I'm scribbling.
Wait. Can't do it.
How do you spell? How do you spell it? Hold on.
Oh wait, what? Oh.
No, that's way too.
Oh yeah.
It's an 8.
Maybe?
Word and a 6. Oh, it begins with an L.
Oh, I see the thing up there now.
Oh,
Oh,
Oh.
blow it out.
my
I'm not-
enter key doesn't work either. My enter key doesn't work.
There's not a way to full screen this, is there?
F11 full
Okay.
screens your actual like
Yeah, if you
thing.
You're close, Nika. What's the other word for it?
That one. F11. I
F4,
wasn't-
it's F4.
I wasn't playing the
F4,
game.
don't-
I was fucking
Yeah, F11
scribblio in.
full screens it.
Thank you. That's what I was doing. I was scribblioing, getting it set up.
All F4.
No.
F4. Oh,
Draw.
Okay.
Is this right?
I was tempted to put all of our names in, by the way, so we don't have to draw each other.
That you should have.
I'll do it. I'll do it next time.
All right. I think this isn't bad. What? I look back and I'm like, oh no. Oh! I thought that was a box of chocolates.
Look,
Nah, it was a steak. It was a steak.
I'm around too many people who cook. If I didn't guess this, I'd be a disgrace.
Yeah. All right. I think this
yes,
is.
yes, you would.
I think this is fine. Yeah.
Yargan.
Oh.
Oh yeah. Okay.
All right.
We're
Now
so
I'm actually
close.
gonna be able to play. I'm not gonna be fucking messing with my stream stuff.
Loki.
Bella, come on, lay down.
You know what would be a really chaotic game? Either what do you meme or
Oh wait, no, that's wrong.
Thank you.
What's the other one? Cards Against Humanity.
Mm.
What?
Oh, fuck.
It looks like a very dead Pac-Man.
Of course, I had to pick a hard one.
Oh, finish. You got it. What was it?
Oh, good. I'm glad somebody got it.
What?
Huh?
You might get a lot of points for this, to be honest, if we can't fucking guess it.
This feels like it's very specific.
I don't have
It's
this.
not that specific.
Yeah.
Oh,
Radio.
Oh, I see it. Okay. Yeah.
I get it now.
Yep.
Oh, I didn't post this shit on X.
I was convinced that was a cheese wheel.
Okay, hold on a second. I got this.
You got this. You got this.
Bella, come lay down.
Good guess. Finish.
I got this. I got this.
Well, looks...
Wait. No. Yeah!
Yes. What? Finish what? Wait, who's drawing this?
What's up?
Ellie.
It's great. It is wonderful. You are doing so good.
Yeah, you're doing really good. I thought it was
have
Luigi at first.
absolutely
I'm
no
like,
idea what this is.
you need to brush up on your Pokemon.
I haven't played Pokemon since the original 151.
Yeah.
Oh.
Brilliant.
Sadly, one of the more forgettable ones. I'll be completely honest.
There's no way I would have guessed what the hell that thing was called. Oh, it's me? Oh no, never mind.
What
I
are
was very
you?
confused.
It'll be you next. It'll be you next. then,
Okay,
yeah.
all right. I gotta get the X soon in Blue Sky and post this shit, but I'm paying
No worries,
attention.
Ayana.
Yes. Wait, what?
The penguin.
Oh.
What? Wait, now I'm lost.
That is a very flamboyant penguin.
Wait, no, I'm a little stupid tonight.
It's okay.
Alright.
It is a penguin with a pride
Okay.
flag at a
Okay,
cape.
no, I
Penguin.
saw it so
Alright,
wrong.
now I gotta
but
pay
see-
attention.
I see the orientation.
All right,
see
so
the
I want
orientation
people to
now.
guess it, or I don't want people to guess it.
You want
You-
people to guess it, but you don't want it to be too obvious if it's an easy one. You gotta try and you can lure people into a false sense of security.
Okay.
You want at least one person to guess it. If nobody guesses it, you get no points. If one person guesses it, you get the most points. If everyone guesses it, then you get the least points.
Ah.
Don't
Okay.
get any dirty thoughts here.
This is this is getting a little suspicious over here.
This is suspicious.
It's true.
This is very suspicious now. It's a medical item.
Okay, what's with that?
Excuse me.
Squeeze.
I'm sorry. Is it a coffin on a skateboard?
Mm.
I'm trying to see the orientation of it. I'm trying.
You trick the trick out.
Oh.
How'd you get it?
Oh, what?
I'm glad that this is at least working somewhat.
Somebody misspelled it in chat.
Yeah.
You had the correct guess, but it
Wait,
misspelled.
no, I don't get it. Wait, no, I don't get it.
Is it
Oh.
is it a coffin on a skateboard? And I'm like, fuck, it is.
I could like visualize what it was, but I couldn't remember the word. for it.
Yeah, that was a tough one.
Way too many games like Graveyard Simulator. Oh.
Good guess,
Oh.
Nico.
Thank you.
An artist coming out here, guys.
This is a long word.
Oh. It's...
Minecraft. Okay.
Nope. Damn it.
Terrible at this game. Oh.
Oh, how do you spell it? How do you
Oh.
spell it?
Got it.
When I. God damn it! I have to. smashed the keyboard 3 times for it.
I'm so glad I got it. I thought it was gonna be stupid again.
And this word even has the letter that's not working for you a few times.
I'm on
It
my
doesn't-
iPad. I have to like
I'm
finger type it, and I'm just not fast enough.
I'm posted on Blue Sky, and I still managed to get that one.
All right, so my food is here.
That's
I'm
it.
gonna step out after this guess for a minute.
Okay. What
Oh.
the heck?
Oh, Lily left.
No, bye, Lily.
Oh no. Lily.
Sorry. What happened? I think I hit one of the ads, and it was like,
Mm.
"Let's go."
Bella Hush.
Yep. Yep. Oh no, that's not it. Oh.
Oh.
Whoa.
Oh.
Oh,
Underworld.
it's like speed drawing it now.
Underworld.
Oh. All right, I'm gonna be right back.
Oh.
Got it.
I feel very
I'm so
stupid.
happy.
I think I got it posted everywhere.
I'm so happy.
No, I feel stupid. Oh no.
Draw. Draw a what's the red fruit?
Oh.
Yeah, draw a pomegranate.
Pomegranate, yeah.
Pomegranate. That would be Persephone.
Oh,
It would have to
well,
be Persephone if it was.
yeah, but he could have pointed at the other person,
Lay down.
Persephone, with a pomegranate in her hand.
No, if I was gonna do that, I'd make him do her. So,
Oh.
Yeah. Nothing sexier than stick figures. of
Yeah.
fortune.
yeah, I
You
don't
know what,
think
Lily?
that's
Good
quite,
job.
quite friendly. Yeah.
I'm back and I have my fajitas.
All right.
I mean, I
Let's
gave him a
go.
crown. I gave him a crown. He is ruler of the underworld.
I tried.
This is a bit too many words for Taco.
Got it.
Nice. Good job.
Hell yeah. I'm surprised I spelled it right.
Stop fighting me, game. It's like I don't want to draw for you.
I think I'm gonna go get a drink. I think it will only make me better.
I'm drawing a blank here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got
It's
it.
obvious, isn't it? It's gonna be so obvious, isn't
It's gonna
it?
be really obvious. Brain not braining. Look
Oh.
Your little hand in the
Oh,
jacket.
okay,
I got as soon as I saw the hat, I got it.
Yep.
Yeah.
I get it.
The-
I don't know.
The
game
not
was like
taco.
fighting me too.
The not
I know
taco.
Napoleon ice cream.
Yeah, it was. That was also named after him.
Yeah. You should have done Tim Holman ice
It
cream.
was definitely his
I got
favorite.
it.
Oh, true, true. Yeah.
Oh,
What kind of
Jesus.
word is this?
It's like jargon.
Oh gosh.
This is why you have to
Is it like
Google,
billion
what it
letters
is.
long?
Hepatitis C instead.
Hi, Weiss.
Hi, Wise.
Straight up Yargan my flargan.
Oh man, I thought I had it, and I was gonna lose my shit.
Why does this look so familiar?
This looks terrifying.
Oh,
Huh?
yep. Thank you, Yargan.
What? How did you already get it?
Cause I'm a smarty.
Oh,
Smarty or just a nerd?
I mean,
Oh wait.
Oh.
Oh,
yeah.
oh.
can I do it in time?
Wait,
How are
what's
you
the-
doing,
what's
Weiss?
Yeah. Okay.
Oh.
That is great, Yargan. by
Yeah,
the way.
I
That
thought he
is-
did a great job.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's
really good.
great.
Okay.
I was
give you a
I was
thumbs
gonna
up.
say,
Yeah,
well, I
really
definitely
good.
do a lot of driving.
That is so confusing. for a
Nerd.
I
second.
need to get a new keyboard. I need to
As
get
soon
a
as I saw the
keyboard.
dashboard,
Yeah.
I knew what it was.
I was like, how do I make a steering wheel with it just looking like a steering wheel?
Yeah.
Hmm.
I was
It
very
looked like a-
heavily second guessing myself with how to spell steering.
Me too. I was like EA, EA, EA.
Huh?
Cultists.
I'm doing all right. Just 5 minutes about. Nice. Oh, wait.
Dang
Is
it,
this
Cherry, you
it?
got there before
Is
me.
this it? No. Okay.
Everybody's there.
Ah.
Stop fighting me.
Nope.
Is the dude farting?
Godzilla?
Uh,
I f-
Hmm.
Look at that, Weiss. You just showed up and you're getting followers.
dang it.
Don't.
All right. I thought that was worth a guess. I thought they might have been rocking the
Rock
Casbah.
the Casbah. Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, got it. Okay.
Uh,
The conga line.
Yeah, it did look like Congo.
I got this. I need to think of a really good way to do this.
One day it will be Mario.
Mario.
One day.
This is going to be the worst attempt of this in my life, but I'm going to go for it.
Almost
Don't
just guessed
mind that.
Florida.
Don't mind it.
Maryland.
Don't
Oh, that's not how you
mind
spell that. Or wait, is it? No. Oh, that.
Going to nope, wrong color.
Uh.
I'm gonna make this look better. Hold on, I got this. This is the most fucked up looking animal I have ever.
That's an
Yes, it
That's
is
an animal.
Hold on a second. Hold on a second, I got this. Hold on a second, I got this. Hold on a second, I got this. I can make this work. I can make this work. I can make this work. I can make this work.
What?
Look, I am not good at doing animals at all,
Bananas.
but I'm good at
First
Pokemon.
but wrong.
But this is not that.
N-A.
You know what? I'll do this. That's a really good hint.
Oh.
Dang
Oh,
it.
curse you!
I
Curse you,
get it.
autocorrect!
Dang it.
Curse you, autocorrect!
I had nothing good
Oh,
that I
Rooms
could
is
draw, and I was like, you know what?
Rooms was the autocorrect.
Dang.
Autocorrect to rooms!
Rooms. What a guess.
But I had Cell, something else, and Opponent. I was like, you know what? I can make this very obvious at the end, so I'll try.
The fuck is this?
Wait, no, it's the racing.
Everything's okay. Everything's okay.
That's not it. What?
It took me three attempts to enter it though. Yeah, I think it's time for a new keyboard.
Oh.
I read that number wrong.
Nope, that's
I,
not right. Oh my
I went
god.
to make a car and then I failed. I said, screw this.
I had a very dyslexic moment. I read 7 as 9.
Tornado.
I don't know why.
I don't know what this one is technically, but okay. All right. I'm gonna go with this one.
Oh god, 2 words. No, Google. I'm not asking you for help.
Yeah, right.
My phone's just like, how can I help? Spot a Siri. I just stared at my iPad to see, make sure she didn't respond to that. Very scary duck.
Yeah, for some reason.
Seeing eye duck.
Oh.
First and second.
Yeah.
Oh, that is.
You like that?
I get it. I get it. I get it. I
Yeah,
can't say
I'll try
anything
again.
without giving it away.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
I'll say something after this to help it out.
I know it's a duck.
Oh.
What is this? What is this last thing?
This thing on the side. The thing on this.
Oh.
Yeah, I get it.
So the second thing was peeing and plus king.
Peeing dog.
P king. I was trying to draw the P king.
No, that was very good.
Jay.
It's me, Jay.
Yeah, that was good. That was
Thank
good.
you.
Jay, by the way, everyone in Cult of the Lamb sacrificed you today.
Or anything.
Oh, what's his name now?
Ah, I got it. Yeah.
No,
My
no.
knowledge is coming in handy.
Oh.
No,
I don't know.
Stupid
I don't know how you
autocorrect.
spell these things. This Pokemon.
No, not
Freaking
that.
autocorrect.
Dang it, autocorrect. Me too.
What?
Oh my gosh.
I
Stupid
don't
iPad,
know.
Your autocorrect.
Okay, I got it.
Nico.
Don't worry, I brought you back. I brought you back.
Wilmer.
I made you
Will.
a
Hey,
Whaler. Whaling. Whale. Whale.
you're
got
close.
Whale.
You're so close.
Will.
You are so close.
Wilner. Will. Whaling. Me. Said. Whalehorn. I gotta be honest, I don't know very many Pokemon.
You were doing so good, Nico.
Thank you. Whalmer, whaling, whalewarner, whaling.
You were one step away.
Damn it.
Also, that was a really good drawing, by the way.
Well,
Damn it!
That's all I had to see.
What the fuck am I looking at here? Oh! Jesus! I didn't even. I'm like, what is this thing that is being created? Hi, Jay.
Part of your work.
Gosh. And it was just a
What a rock
boat and a
deal.
rock. Boat and a rock. I was getting flashbacks to Valheim.
Yeah.
need to give her a name.
Maria
It's
said.
funny because I just called Cherry this earlier too.
Maria said that DJ was a terrible driver.
Because DJ.
All right. If it's not, oh, is it Mario?
4-letter
Nope.
words.
Is it Mario?
Marop.
Is it,
That's a
is it
5-letter word.
water?
Might look familiar at first.
Oh.
Yes.
All of us had it simultaneously.
Gonna need a bigger boat.
Oh.
Need a bigger
I
boat.
don't know. I don't know.
Dun,
Why are you so excited about getting your taxes done?
Cherry, you're right there. Cherry, you're right
You
there.
You're gonna need
Oh.
Oh God, I thought you were being legitimate, Jay. I was very confused.
Ooh, Ayana, I want coffee. Share some coffee
I'm
with the rest
dying.
of us.
I have an apple pie cider.
Aw, you're not sharing?
Share, please.
Yeah, I got plenty.
Wow.
Is it this? Wow.
Oh.
Oh,
Wow.
Satan's Undertale.
Is this Sans Undertale from the hit game Undertale?
Yeah. Kenzo, you hate Jaws?
I've never seen Jaws.
Kenzo.
I
It's
don't-
probably one of the most funnest, freaking, goriest.
It is it's a classic, not like that terrible movie, The Wizard of Oz.
Oh yeah.
Wait a minute. This can't be a real conversation we're having here. No, wait a minute.
I must be hallucinating.
I'm with you, Kenzo. I'm with you. Because I've never seen it, so.
I had to be forced to watch it during school. They were like, "Oh, we're gonna put Jaws on," and I'm like,
Fuck am I looking
"You're
at?
gonna traumatize a bunch of kids?
No, wait, but
We're building a wall, and you're gonna pay for it."
Wow.
oh,
Oh.
Now my enter key works for the first time.
I feel like I gave it away.
The fuck is
Like, I gave it
this?
away.
What am I looking
You
at
got this,
here?
Nico. You
Oh!
got this, Nico.
I'm like, what the fuck am I looking at? A shelf with weird stuff on it?
okay, hold on. I can
kind
do
of
this
a
really
shelf
easy.
for when you're.
I hate The Wizard of Oz. I think it's so overdone. Blood.
And then yeah.
Oh.
I hate this way too much.
Got it. Yeah, it's Jaws again.
Oh wait, hold on.
There's not a
Can
P.
I spell, please?
Yeah, there's not a P on that one.
Can I spell, please?
Falcon. Now the bacon that's in the UK is not real bacon. I'm just saying.
I still eat it.
It's not as good.
You know what's not real bacon?
Canadian
Turkey
bacon?
But I
Oh.
still eat that shit. You're not wrong.
And then
What about The Shining? The Shining's great. How about this one? Is it that one?
That's not it.
It has a V in it. No.
Oh!
Wait, no, hold on.
There we go.
Okay.
I don't know if they have black spots, but you know it's having it now.
No. You're right. You're right.
Hi,
Am I?
Kai.
All right.
What?
How you doing, Kai?
I guess this.
I'm with you guys.
How many different ways can you spell this word?
No H at the end. There's no H at the end, guys.
Oh.
Yeah, I put an
Oh.
H at the end, and it was like, you were close, and I'm like,
weird.
God damn it. Okay, all
I
right.
thought they had tried every way to spell it, so I was
I got
I
this.
know.
I got
So-
this. I got this. Ready?
Okay, I'm switching to my
Covered in
computer,
sauce.
guys. I'll be there in just a second.
Bunk beds. Grassy bunk beds.
My hand slipped a little bit.
Muffin. Hi. How Oh dear.
No, it's not a river pig.
I feel.
Thank you, Vixen.
Yes. I got it. Yay. Never, never, ever, ever gonna enter one of these. You never want to enter one of these. That's for damn sure. Especially what happened in that Stephen King novel.
Oh.
I was like, I'm not gonna have enough time here.
Oh my gosh.
Got it
I was
right
like
at the
children of
end.
the corn. But
Yeah.
That was all I
You
had.
never want to enter one of those, guys. You'll get lost.
Look, I thought cornfield, but I thought those were fake for some fucking reason. I've been to one. I've been to one.
Again.
They were invented.
Whoa!
Autofellatio? What is going on here?
Have you tried the bing?
What? Okay, it's basically, it's clearly a guy. Those are some big ass shoes.
No, that's not gonna fit.
It's okay, better than earlier. This looks funny. Good. I'm glad you're doing good, Kai. I haven't seen Doctor Sleep, Jay. I have not seen that.
He has no head.
He doesn't have a head, no.
Oh, no head.
No head?
Nope.
Sad
This poor
life.
guy. The fuck are you drawing?
What the?
Oh.
I see it. I see it. I see it.
Oh no.
You took your time on that one. And
Yeah.
I respect it. No, I respect it. As soon as you do it, it's obvious.
Yeah, exactly. I could have drawn the welding pipe immediately and everyone would have got it, but I wanted to take my time. Let it be a slow burn.
I feel like you would be really good at this game, Kai. Is it Mario? No. Is it Luigi?
Oh, okay. You're doing one of those.
You made me laugh now.
I see how it is. I see how it is.
That's vile, but I respect it.
Damn.
Good job, guys. Good job. Right.
Yeah.
Good job, good job.
Start again.
I need.
Are there any
I
words
love
you'd
my
like
room.
to add? Would you
Yes,
like
us.
One quick moment.
use custom words. We're gonna do us. Okay, hang on.
Yeah.
Here's the numbers for both numbers.
We're gonna have this. We're gonna have
How did I end up here?
How did this happen?
No, I mean, like, I don't know how I end up in streams sometimes from people.
I'm back.
I'm like, whose chat was I in and how did I get here? Oops,
You're
shit.
stuck with us forever. Oh, bye, Nico.
Yeah, I accidentally
After all
fucking...
your hard work,
Don't worry,
you
I'll
can't
I'll
let
do it after
anything
this
stand in
ad.
your way. That's why you have.
Alright, I'm back in.
all the ads.
You mean, like,
Oh no, I'm not playing with you guys. Who the fuck am I playing with? I'm just playing with some random ass people. how do I join in again? Go back to the.
Rejoin.
Here.
Rejoin off the link. Yeah.
I'll send you the link again, Nico.
Thank you.
People are probably like, who the heck?
He posted this Zelda instead
Futuristic
of the link.
Nico.
Just me in there. There we go.
Nico got isekai'd into a new scribbly.
Yeah, the people were having a great time. I bet.
As long as you didn't join and then there was just like a naughty drawing.
Yeah.
Like my words
Oh,
not
God.
I didn't even see what it was that I was that quick to jump out.
Oh, it works. Okay.
Oh.
We're in it. We're in it.
Maybe
Oh shit!
more
I'm
rounds?
starting.
I mean, the rounds are quite long considering everyone has to draw before the round ends.
There's a lot of people to.
Yeah, there's a lot of people to get through.
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
No.
What?
Quick, copy
Oh,
this down.
no.
This is actually all you.
It's the other type of card. It's the other type
Okay.
of card.
Oh.
I have one of those, and I forgot they existed.
They're very
Alright, quick.
popular in the UK. They're very
Free money.
popular.
Copy it down.
It's real
You just need
money.
to give
It's
us-
real money. It's
Yes,
not fake money,
Yeah.
it's real money.
Is that a real number?
Yeah. Can we have 3 numbers with it? You know.
Oh, yeah.
No, not credit. Not credit.
Not credit.
Real
The other one. The other one.
Not real
The
money. It's the
other
real money you have.
I just started making up numbers, so whoever I doxed, I'm
The real
sorry.
money one.
No, I'm sorry.
Look, I made a docu, but it was worth it.
That wasn't my number. I just started fucking writing things.
Man, these numbers are starting to look real familiar. Why do I know them? Wait a minute.
Yeah.
Well, there is the option to only use custom words, so.
Mario's.
Every
Jurassic Park.
hey,
Oh, that doesn't look very good, but here we go.
Someone broke the car through the wall. Holes in the wall. Oh,
Oh.
What's
What is
that?
this called? Wait, what is it? Wait a minute.
Attack on Titan, the final season part 9.
They might actually have like a over them. Maybe.
Maybe. Wait a minute.
it's like a
So I definitely was off the page when it gave me the word, so I'm like,
Oh.
Oh.
okay.
sorry guys.
It's okay.
Right. Get a crafting table, a chest in there.
I've actually never played Minecraft, so
You're not missing much.
I would not
that-
have known.
Change that.
Modern Minecraft is where it's at.
Oh yeah, definitely.
It's gonna become my
I like
new
the
original
mod
answer.
where if you kill a mob,
Clowndy.
you can put into it.
Clown D.
Noe, Finland.
It's raining poo.
Is it a meatball?
What? What?
Oh.
Oh, fucking stupid.
Oh.
Another word for it.
I think Comet passes by, not crashes into the Earth.
But you know it's crashing.
Hopefully.
Yeah, it's just this guy. No crash.
Would be a near miss.
God, I wish it did. No, I'm kidding.
Strictly just in America, though.
You know,
That
as
is what my
Americans, I can
dinosaurs.
agree.
That's one tall being.
I was just writing that.
Oh.
Oh, I wrote the
Smart
actual
Jimmy.
person that does it, not. I thought it was immediately Yargan.
Yeah.
Why did I go with Ranger? Like, that's a Ranger.
Yeah, you went to the D&D level.
Surprised Martin didn't get that first.
Well, there's like 30 different names for an archer.
There is.
Bowman.
I want a hippopotamus.
That's also not how you spell it.
Are you currently looking at one right now?
There we go.
Oh.
Should have gone one step more.
Close,
and-
Kai.
and done
Close.
the scientific one.
Yeah, you were close. That's what I started with was numpad.
You gotta put the 8008 at 5.
Yeah.
I could have made it
In
bigger,
there.
but I thought about it when it was too late.
And everyone would know.
And we would know immediately.
Oh.
I feel like you
leaves the equal pad.
need
as big as
syntax
it could.
error. No, not divisible by 0. Write that too.
I actually did notice the equal pad.
Oh wait, hold on. Okay. We're good. E and then E.
What?
And then
What are these fine details here?
and then E and then
I did it. Okay.
Oh my god, is it? Oh, you stupid.
Oh.
Is this how you spell it? Yes.
Yeah.
And I'm still not good at Pokemon, but I know which ones are apparently sexed up.
Damn it.
can't draw straight.
Listen, I've been on the internet. I know.
And then like it has like a little slit here, I think.
Yeah, I'm sure there's plenty of slits there on the internet. Yep.
God damn it.
I'm about ready to get my tablet out. I couldn't draw that, and it made me upset.
Finish, how did you get that in like the first 5 seconds?
He's
I'm sorry, Kenzo.
I'm questioning that one too.
Oh.
Ah! I got it! I know where this is going.
Got it.
What?
Yeah, baby!
What the heck?
As soon as I saw the letter pop up, I had it.
So chunky.
Oh my god! I need to see how that was gonna finish. I have to see how that was gonna finish.
Man, I am getting absolutely just barely in there at the end on all these.
Aww.
Oh, yeah, they have raw potatoes.
Whoa. Oh, frick, what's his name?
Oh.
No.
Oh.
Okay, that's what it is. Okay.
Yeah, I saw the P and I was like, oh, that one.
Look, can I point out, since we added Gen 3 Pokemon, that's all we've gotten.
Yeah. I need some more Gen 1s.
I have
Although I technically do know this one because it's on my
Add another P to what I guessed.
Yeah.
I thought it was originally Mimikyu, and I was like, nope, there's a P in the middle.
I thought it was unknown at first. I was like, oh,
thought-
and then
I thought Timber was a great guess.
Oh my god.
This one was so
Look,
easier to
Timber's
draw.
really cool.
I have to draw the
Okay,
Pokemon.
alright.
Timber is cool.
It's going down. Wait.
oh no, not another one of these.
Oh gosh. Oh, first. Okay, first and second. Yeah.
Two words, people.
What makes you say
First
that?
word.
Four,
Sounds
guys.
like-
Hey, four letter. Is it beef or is it pork?
What?
It's a tap dancing.
What?
Frog.
Okay.
Okay. Almost.
Oh, leapfrog was such a good idea.
Wow, thank you, Lily.
Yes, I got you.
This is
Oh wow.
Still got a lot of fuel.
Where my Australians at?
yeah.
Where my Australians at?
We're
Oh.
not Aussies.
Hey.
It's a drop bear.
Not an Aussie, no.
It's a drop bear. That was dropping, and that was my attempt at a bear. And then I drew a teddy bear afterwards.
What
Worth it.
the?
Ah!
Mm,
Oh, I like
Nice,
this. No, you're
nice.
good.
nice.
The fuck do all you know that I
Can I make
don't?
this bigger? Oh, I
Oh.
can make this bigger. Okay, good.
You could
Oh.
use a tool. There's a
It is a
tool.
Shrek. I would never be able to make.
There is?
about
Where's the
5
fill
minutes of
tool?
that hill.
It's the paint
I
bucket.
would-
Bill.
It's the
Oh
bucket.
my gosh, what? Check that out. Okay. Alright.
Accident
Alright,
covers the
alright.
whole photo of that.
I
Oh
would
shit,
never
that's what
make
I
that
just wrote.
hill.
That ain't it. That ain't it, Chief. Oh.
I saw
Oh.
I saw what it was. I saw the letters, and then it's like, there's only one thing. I gotta go all in.
Yeah.
I didn't have that one either, Kai. I thought it was volcanic eruption, and then Yarga put it, and I was like, well,
yeah,
shit.
not bad. I wasn't a very good drawing, to be honest. I'm finding that I'm not very good drawing with the mouse.
It's okay.
I was tempted to do it on tablet, but I thought, no. It's funnier when I can't draw. Oh my
Okay.
god!
Yeah.
Is it the bowl of shit from Call to the Lamb?
What?
Yeah,
Oh, this is very British. Okay.
the British are coming.
Oh.
Fucking beans.
Uh,
I figured the
I'm
second
happy
I
about
put
that
the
one.
I was
post
like-
on there, at least the
Oh,
British
this is
people
such a
get
good
it.
one. Oh god, it's British.
Thanks.
I saw the toast and I died.
Beans around you, silly.
There's nothing wrong with beans on toast. It's quite delicious, actually.
Alright, Evie, send your vibes to me.
I don't know. I had beans on toast, and it was just a taste of depression.
It feel. it
Why
felt
do you
like a
think we eat
strong
it in the UK? Why do you think we eat it over here? We're depressed all the time.
That's one massive hand.
meal. Oh.
What?
That's
You'll
not-
support this round.
That's not how I would have drawn this one. I would have done it,
Oh! Oh, I was not there.
Hi, Hex. Welcome in.
I have no.
1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Good numbers.
Do you not know the meme yet? Do you not know the Charlie meme?
The Charlie meme? Like, oh. Yeah.
Oh
I almost
my
said it.
God.
That's what I would have drawn too, Kai.
You bit my
Bud.
Charlie bit my
finger.
Surprised Evie didn't draw me.
I got this. I got this.
That's
Okay.
fair.
Wait, no, hold on. Wait, no.
1, 2,
It's
3, 4,
clearly
1, 2,
a
3, 4.
Pokemon if it's saying he's got this.
What?
Wait, no, hold on. I'm doing that. Yeah, no, that works.
Okay, that works.
That works. And then, no, wrong color.
What?
And then.
Oh wait, is it this? No.
Someone puking into a drawer?
What is happening here?
Yargan gets it. Yargan gets it.
Yeah. Took me a second, but
What is happening?
Roll the half-life logo.
Oh, what is it? What is it called?
Oh,
Dream made one of these.
got it. Yes, that's exactly right, Hex. What? No offense, Elite. I'm giving you a thumbs down for that one. I was like, that's such a bad crowbar.
Oh.
It had too much
Okay.
It had too much curve.
I got it.
No, you're just saying there's something wrong. No, I'm kidding. I can't go there.
Yeah.
I can't go there.
I know what you were saying.
Charlie, punch my face.
Oh.
What the fuck, guys? What am I looking at? What the hell am I looking at?
Something you broke. No.
Secret fucking tunnel?
The crowbar.
It's
I
crowbar
got the
the
eye
sequel.
of the tiger, okay.
Oh.
what else
Something
to
I
do?
definitely need to start using. I definitely need to start using one of these.
It's Evie.
Oh yeah, Hex did get that.
Oh.
Good job, Hex. Yeah, secret tunnel. It's like, what the fuck am I looking at? Secret tunnel?
Secret tunnel.
Yeah.
Secret tunnel through the mountain. Huh? Oh. No.
We were all like, drunk.
Yes.
Yes, let's go band nerds. Woo!
Yes.
Got it.
What?
Oh, okay. I get it now. I get it now.
Okay, okay.
Cello.
Yes.
Damn it.
Nice job, Kai.
I was gonna finally point at the one with the 4 strings. You got it. You got it.
Oh. We're going full green. Garbage day.
Garbage day. No. I'll try it, Hex. Nope.
Oh.
What?
What?
I have no fucking clue.
Oh. Okay.
Oh.
Carry my food.
I was close.
Yeah.
God damn it.
Oh. Bit. Damn.
I said
cannot.
garbage day.
You know what? That's fine.
I mean, definitely what it looks like.
I was
Oh
trying
my
to do a little trash panda right at the end.
God.
Like Stardew Valley trash pandas.
Shit, these suck. All right, let's try.
You got this. You got this. That would have been a baller, guys. What?
Shit, how do I draw the second part? Hmm. Oh, God damn it. Man, this is gonna be painful. Yeah, I don't know how I draw. I don't know how to draw those. Is that this? I'm not good at music. I don't know.
Music.
What?
Music?
God, now I have to think about the music notes are.
I don't know how to draw music notes. Oh,
This better be
is
clever.
So
This-
no,
this-
it's
this
not.
gotta
It's
be
just bad. This is the worst one.
Oh.
I wouldn't get that one.
I was trying to draw a tone, and I was like, "How the fuck do I draw a tone? I don't know, a music note."
Lunatone.
It's so tough. My options were like Lunatone. I don't. The other ones were even
So-
worse.
Lunatone is a crescent moon Pokemon.
I don't fucking know. How the hell am I supposed to know that shit? I told you I know 151.
Legendary, mythical, legendary.
How the fuck am I supposed to know that thing? No.
Oh, fuck.
Whoa,
Oh,
crap.
not that.
Ignore that.
Okay.
Don't forget it when you go to school, guys. Don't forget it when you go to school.
Oh.
Draw a stick.
That's one very
with a D.
wide
Yeah,
backpack.
Kai Hex. I cannot.
No clue.
I cannot
Also,
draw.
you're gonna fit all the books in there.
I don't read music notes. I don't read music at all.
Oh God.
You guys know
Listen,
how
if y'all saw my backpack in high school was like 40 pounds.
That was a real tough one. It's fire truck? Yes, let's try it. Nope. Oh, I typed it in my chat.
worth it.
Yep. Wait, what? Did I not get it?
What?
Complete guess.
Wait, what?
Nice.
Oh.
It's the ankle bone for me. You see that thing right there?
Wait, did I not spell it right?
There's more than one.
It's plural, yeah.
Fucking stupid! I was the first person to guess it. Oh, no, I wasn't. I was right after finish, though. And then it's just like, sorry, you forgot the S.
Don't worry, it did the same thing to me. I was very confused.
So bad.
Straight up Charmander. Is this another compass?
This is another fucking Pokemon I have
It
no
is
idea
not another
about.
compass. No.
I don't think radar is quite 10 words.
Radar.
Just that ours.
What, Yargan?
Oh, hell yeah.
Oh.
Now I got it.
I get it.
Oh.
Yep, you got it. You had it right, Hex.
They're scared of the thunder, but I got watermelon.
I can't believe I didn't get that right away.
Watermelon.
Watermelon.
I love watermelon.
So you take it right away, but you don't capitalize it. Yeah, that pissed exactly, Kai. I was like, oh, you forgot the S, and then 12 other people jump in and it's like, haha, I got it right. And I'm like, what?
Oh.
Hold on, I can do that better.
What?
And there's like, you know what, everyone else seems to be getting it already.
Yeah, you had it, Hex. You had it.
yeah. I'm trying to think.
Give it an arrow. Give it an arrow.
I was gonna say like a bag of peas
Fucking
and some
Lunatone. I'm still mad
like,
about that.
Bags of like.
I'm so doing this. Hold on.
Nuggets. Bag of chicken nuggets.
That is
And
my
then
joke.
let's do.
I'm kidding.
Oh my god. This is another fucking bullshit.
This is gonna be.
I got you, Cherry.
Yeah, is that an Among Us llama? Yeah, I think it is. Yeah, Kai. Now that they've said it, I think I've seen
two
that.
L's,
I think I've seen
lose an
that moon before on like was it Sun and Moon's main things?
No, actually, Sun and.
You're telling me Lunatone, the moon Pokemon, was not the legendary Pokemon of Sun and Moon?
No, it's
No,
not.
Lunatone-
That is
No.
stupid.
Definitely not.
No, it's a different moon Pokemon that is the legendary of Sun and Moon.
So which one is the ultimate moon?
That would be, hold on, Lunala.
Which is not.
A big moon bat. It's not Lunatone. Lunatone is just a rock in the shape of a crescent moon.
The hell am I looking at?
Huh?
What the heck? Ditto.
Ditto.
Letters.
Heck.
Oh!
I got it. This is one I would actually know.
Oh, wait. Yeah, okay.
No one tell me about Solrock. I don't know.
Oh.
It's probably fucking
Is this
stupid.
something I would
Wise.
know?
It is a Pokemon.
Yeah. First gen.
Yeah,
First
that's
gen
why I
Pokemon,
know
yeah.
it.
We finally have.
Oh wait, I'm dumb.
Now,
Okay,
if you
okay.
think of this Pokemon, you have to think of the hierarchy of which there's multiple other types of garbage Pokemon. And which one is the real legendary garbage Pokemon?
Garbodor.
Yeah.
Oh, I got it right at the end, but I didn't get it. All I could see was Zubat, and it's not Zubat.
No, it's if you spell muck backwards though, that gives you a little context to where they were.
Oh, yeah, I wasn't there.
Finished it. He got it.
What, you know? It's a ball.
It's better the muck in the sink than the sink in the muck.
What the hell am I looking at, guys?
I'm gonna be doing this quickly
Uh huh.
because
What the fuck is this? Oh.
Oh.
Yes.
Dang, I didn't get there fast enough. This is one of the scariest Pokemons alive.
first
Oh.
That's why I know it, because it's first gen.
Is it?
It's one of the scariest Pokemons alive. That thing is like 4 feet tall or something.
I think, to be honest, I think his Mega Evolution's more scarier than its original.
You know, we only got it because most of them were Pokemon.
Yeah, and the only reason why I did so badly is that most of them were Pokemon.
Do you want to know something? I'm now putting on custom words only, so you're just gonna get nothing but Pokemon and food.
Oh god.
Let's go.
We're in the list.
I'm
We are
not
in the
sober enough for this.
list. That's all the more reason.
I'm too sober for this.
Oh my god, and I go first?
Go, Nico.
Jesus Christ.
Nico.
Okay.
I'm not even
You
gonna
can
know
do
what
it.
any of these are too.
No, you got this one.
Really?
Finish and I.
Ah.
What? Gulp. That is quite the drawing there.
Thank you. Thank you. You gotta put that shit on a shirt.
Yeah.
Give it a little. You gotta give it a little neck ruff. You gotta give it a little neck ruff.
Turn this into merch, I dare
There you go.
Wow, the neck ruff really made it.
Thank you. Thank you.
Let me finish, because I probably will. I'll turn it to Evie. Be like, here you go.
Oh.
When I saw that, so my options were Ganondorf,
Perfect.
Ninetales, and Eevee. I was like, great. Here's where we are.
Yeah, let's nail this thing.
Oh. Okay, it is that obvious.
Oh, alright.
It is indeed.
What?
I suspect it might be
There you
a
go.
lie.
Yeah, you saw those choices, Hex. I was like, oh, look at all my choices. 2 Pokemon and a Ganondorf. It's like, how the fuck do I draw Ganondorf? I'm not playing him.
I didn't have the choice of a single Pokemon, and I was very sad about it.
The Pokemon in like 3 generations worth, and you still don't get one.
Kunst in
Really?
It's not this again.
What?
That's awesome.
How?
Awesome.
Hey, stop hacking the game, Evie.
My
Or
bad.
2 other Pokemon I've never heard of.
That's hilarious.
Wow.
Alright.
But he did a better job of drawing that one.
Oh
I
crap.
just do
Alright.
big floppy ears.
You should just wrote same.
Shoot. Okay.
Yeesh.
Okay. Yes, good.
What?
Here's a Pokemon. First gen.
Oh.
Oh.
Theory, oh my gosh.
This is vile, but I respect it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, the only reason why I got it is because Vixen spelled it wrong. You guys, Kai and X had it.
I love this. I'm gonna love this. Wait, no, I don't like that. No, I don't like that. Okay, I like that. One second, I need to make sure I do this right. It's not like that. I like. That's what it was. It was this, and then it's.
The fuck am I looking at?
Let me fill it in, and then get this, and then get this, and then.
Oh.
Mm.
Oh.
What's its name?
There we go.
Let's feel.
How do you... How do you spell it?
Sound it
With
out.
an H.
Remember, it's a circle, so what kind of shape is that? If another name for a circle is a
3D circle.
Without the O. Without the O.
I knew it too.
I actually do like I do like Spiel.
Smells so good.
That's adorable.
I actually like all of that line. Like the walruses are cool.
Mm.
All right, that was my guess.
Technically, let's do this. Yeah,
baby.
Hold on. And then let me redo this. And then technically,
You know what? It was worth a shot.
you do this.
Let's just go through the evolution line.
They're fucking taking
Who's
a
that
piss. What's
Pokemon?
happening here?
Geeney,
Oh.
Oh. Okay, that's it. That is
Oh,
it.
what?
Oof.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah.
Definitely a Pokemon
spell it
I would
wrong?
have on my team.
Yeah, you
I
spelled
would
it
write
wrong.
it and then throw it in my.
Change your E's to A's.
Oh, frick.
Thanks for
I
helping
actually
me.
like
That
this
is
line. They're very weak.
a superb
I'm
drawing.
more of a
Yeah,
dragon
it's a
Pokemon
good
lover.
drawing.
I'm more of like a Gen 1 Pokemon lover.
Gen Water.
That's all I have. I mean, technically, I know some of the newer ones, but not a lot. Tail Whip.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. No, no,
My favorite Pokemon type? I don't really have a favorite type.
Really?
Gardevoir's my favorite type.
I don't really have I love the evolutions. I love the evolutions. My favorite is obviously Umbreon, so.
Yes, good choice.
That's the only card
Shiny
I'm missing
Umbreon.
from. That's the only card I'm missing from the
shiny
McDonald's
Umbreon, yeah.
set. That one and Dragonite.
Yeah. I'm waiting for Ghost Eevee, and then I'll make my assessment.
Are you gonna
Alright,
kill him
alright,
to
evolve
get
your
there
Eevee
quicker?
into a ghost type.
I
It
was
has to die a certain amount of times.
You have to use a brick on.
I'm happy to do so.
Definitely that color.
I have no idea what the fuck I'm looking at.
Oh,
Oh,
that's really good actually.
shoot. What's it called?
Oh. I see, I see.
What is it called?
Thank you, Hex.
Shoot.
This has cascaded into something crazy, hasn't it, guys?
I'm taking advantage of my chat
Sure
because I don't
has.
know these fucking Pokemon. Pissing me right off.
I'm so
I
glad.
forgot the name. Oh wait,
I'm so glad.
I got it.
Pissing me right off. There's more things than just Pokemon in here.
Where?
I like
I didn't get a
Pokemon.
single Pokemon. I didn't
Oh
get a
my
single
god! There's more than just Pokemon in this world, you fucking existence. Holy shit. Here, everyone gonna have a great old fucking
No.
time with this. Here we go.
Luigi.
Yep, you got it. That's what it is. Great job. Everyone loves it. It's so easy. Here it is. It's filled in. Let me give it a stupid little fucking face. There you go.
Oh my god.
There it is. You get it?
The hostility. Jeez.
I had all
Yeah, that's
Pokemon
Gen
again. I
1.
was like, can I get something else, please?
Nico, give this poor baby some mercy.
Oh.
After tonight, Nico's literally gonna be like.
Actually, I think it's kind of fatter. I think it's fatter.
Pokemon again.
Oh, wait,
Hey,
we said-
Ecto. Listen, Ecto, if you're good at Pokemon, I appreciate it, man, because I need the help. Good to see you.
Are you guys ready?
Yep.
Oh.
Yeah.
You know, the fact I
Hi,
spelled it
Ecto.
right
Hi,
makes
Ecto.
me happy.
Let me give you that shout out, pal.
Wait.
Oh, thank you for the follow.
Here we are. Here we are.
I think it might have like a different colored stomach.
Oh,
maybe.
shit, that's not right.
Spell it.
I think this is the first time I have directly acknowledged this Pokemon's existence. I'll
Really?
be completely honest.
It has a C.
Je-
it has
Je-
a C.
Jesse
I
has
hate
definitely acknowledged its
Oh.
existence, if you know what I mean.
I'm trying to eat. No.
There it is. Thank you, Ecto. No, I appreciate
That's
it,
a great
pal.
drawing. Don't lie.
I
I know
appreciate
like,
it.
what meme is being referenced to, and I hate it.
How is stream?
Uh-oh.
We're doing Scriblio, and
was a meme?
it's all Pokemon.
Everything reminds me of her.
Yes! 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 Got it in one!
Oh my gosh.
Fuck
Oh.
yes!
There's only one it can be.
I got it.
Oh.
I got it in one shot.
Nico is finally happy.
That's because it's one I know and it was easy.
Every time it's popped up, there's only been like one Pokemon in the list I know.
You can take my Pokemon ones.
That was good Mew though. That was good.
Ecto, what were you playing? Whoa, this is a lot. What?
That doesn't fit.
So is it that shit?
Hi, most username. Hello. Hey,
What's the?
Oops, shoot.
Hi, most username. Good
You're-
to see you.
You're over in Nico. I see you. Hi.
Hi.
Oh.
I'm bullying Nico
Oh.
today.
I'm so glad I spelled it right.
Oh.
What?
Oh.
Got it. No, I get it.
Oh.
I was being stupid. I knew what it was, and I guess I can guess myself.
Wait, how the fuck
the
do I spell
evolution.
this stupid bullshit?
Carrie, you're really close.
There we go. Oh, wait, no, it's not. Wait,
You
what?
were close. W instead of J, Nico.
W. Oh. I got in. I got in. I got in. Fucking evolutions of Wigglytuff. Think pirates and island hopping except with airship. Oh, that sounds really cool.
Alright, so.
I think I saw you play this the other day, Ecto. That sounds fun.
Lily, was that you singing Jigglypuff?
Yeah, it was me.
That was good.
What?
Nope. Nope.
I'm dumb.
What do you spell? God damn it.
Oh.
Thank you.
My favorite is Bug
Oh
Trio.
my god!
Bug
I hate
Trio.
these names. At least I know Dodrio. It's just stupid. Try to spell them.
Remember, in Gen 1 and forward, they can learn fly.
I know, we will never get a non-Pokemon word. There's too many. Nee, Nico. Oh, good night,
There we
Kai.
go.
Good to see you. I'm glad you had fun. Yeah, Ecto, that sounds like a really fun time.
Oh.
No, 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 no! No!
What the f-
Oh, shoot.
Boobs.
There we go.
It does indeed have boobs.
It indeed has boobs.
Thank you, chat. I don't know these fucking Pokemon.
Oh no!
For the record, someone said it has a weird front butt.
It has like a boob butt. It has like boob butts.
I fucking love this Pokemon.
That's the best kind of butts.
I have
Those
absolutely
that are
no
also
idea.
boobs.
You don't want shit coming out your boobs.
Yeah, Ecto, that seems like a really fun game.
Definitely not.
And all of mine are Pokemon as well.
It seems really cool. I would, you know what? I'm gonna write that down to check it out. Has anyone played Black Skylands?
I haven't.
Oh, I know this fucker.
Oh, no.
Is that how you spell it? No.
Yeah. Two
How you
Bs,
spell
y'all.
it?
Two B's? Yes. Thank you. I knew this fucker. You know what, Ecto? I'm gonna take that name. I'm gonna take the game down.
Yes, the arm. It's the arm finish.
It sounds
Beautiful.
like it sounds like it's right up my alley.
Doesn't it have a little black thing coming off the back, or is that a different one?
I wrote it
Yeah,
down.
it does. Yeah, with the little eyes. Yep.
It's a little face on the end of the tail.
Yeah,
I know what it is. I can smell it.
two B's. Two B's.
Nice.
The plug Pokemon.
Is it the plug Pokemon?
Ah, about that.
He's got a flared base.
Wubba wubba.
Yeah. It's user friendly.
That's not it.
It's fucking another It's a cat Pokemon. I'm not gonna know. Oh yeah, this is some shit I don't know.
What?
What is this?
Most username ever friendly. Most username ever. Are you good at Pokemon? Because I could use the help.
That's evil. That's so evil.
Oh my gosh.
Yes, Vixen, yes.
Gosh.
That was not Mew fishing.
Oh man.
Follicle.
Wow.
Yeah.
No.
Yargan, it's not a Pokemon.
It's not a Pokemon, Yargan.
It's not a Pokemon.
Ignore
It's what's
ignore-
on the plate.
Ignore everything else but the arrow. There you go. Ignore all distractions. Oh! Oh, I got this. I got this. I got this one. I got this one.
Man.
Holy. That's a long word. Are we getting another first and second? Mm-hmm.
Okay. I don't think
That's
I
a
could do
good
really
fast finish.
really fine details, but I'll try.
Huh?
Oh.
Oh.
Huh?
He's just.
Just wants to race.
I did my best.
Yeah, I don't know who that is.
Oh. Oh, you don't know one of the things that popped up? Huh. That must suck. Wow. That's terrible. I would hate for that to happen.
That's wild.
It was Captain Falcon. I saw like two other fucking Pokemon. I was like, no, give me Captain Falcon. Is it a coffin on a skateboard? Is it aliens? Kind of.
Oh.
Got it.
Oh my fucking.
Nice.
Oh. Okay.
Among Us.
Oh,
Nice. The most
dang.
the most username, that is a nice pun. He said Among Us. Because it's a fungus.
I'm running out of space.
Well, why did you jump so high?
I don't know, because he needed to jump.
He's a big jumping boy.
It's our good friend Luigi Mario.
When Luigi came up, I was like,
Kai, I thought you were going to bed.
God.
I think Kai can't like take a step away.
Luigi Mario.
Holy shit!
Whoa.
I got it!
That's insane.
I got it! I got it! Oh my god, I need to clip that one.
Man.
Fucking better.
Every
Oh my
single
gosh.
round, and you finally.
Jargon, I will continue to share my toilet with you.
Okay, hold on.
Oh my gosh, that's beautiful.
Fucking.
I'm just trying to get herb stuff.
Thank you, Miss Ayana.
Miss_I just redeemed drink.
This is a Pokemon.
You wouldn't have guessed.
He's bleeding.
Thanks, Hex. Good seeing ya.
Oh. Nice shot. That's really good, actually.
Oh, what's its name? What's its name? What's its name?
Hydrate.
Yeah, I can't remember his name.
One of the coolest lines in Pokemon, and it was introduced in Gen fucking.
Oh!
I can picture it in my head. Right. I don't know what's his name.
Yeah, I have no.
That's that's really good, Yargan. I just can't remember its name.
Larvitar.
Yeah, that was really good,
Yeah,
Yargan.
it's Tyranitar.
I've never seen that pipe.
Which one will be
Don't
funnier?
worry,
Which one will be
Ayana,
funnier?
I will
Which one will be
hydrate.
funnier? You know what? This one.
Thank you, Ayana, for taking care of all of us.
Yes,
Alright.
thank you, Ayana.
Thank you.
Thank you,
I'm
Ayan.
going
Thank
to
you.
hold on a second. I need to make sure. Oh, how did I? Was it? No, it was this color. It was this color. Okay.
Wait, really? Did you just get raided? Is that why you're doing bop 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 bop?
Nah, Kenzo redeemed my crab rave.
Oh. I gotta be honest. I don't know who these people are that are scissoring on this screen, but I'm having a hard time figuring out what's happening.
What?
Oh.
Okay, no.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Oh.
Gen 1!
I see.
Generation 1!
yeah.
Generation 1!
Alright.
You did
You
the
know you
sneaky
should know
thing.
I got it.
You did the sneaky
I would-
thing of throwing the tail first.
I had to
I was
do the tail
convinced it
first.
was a telephone.
The
so I
mewing
was, like,
too?
way off.
I don't know about all that.
The mewing of two.
As at
No
Okay,
one's
to
first,
be
having up
honest,
to
I don't know
hydrate.
what game
Harry,
this is.
don't worry, I'm on it.
This is
Why
Scriblio.
is that thing sitting on a telephone? That was all I could think.
I told you what I thought. Oh, is it this? Nope.
That's
Yep.
pretty good.
Yep, I got it.
Oh.
Oh.
Hey, that's pretty
See, I think it's a
good.
hint
That's
in and
pretty
of
good.
itself
Yeah.
if I'm able to get it, because then you have an idea of being like, oh, well, at least Nico fucking knows what it is, so.
Oh,
Look,
the
I know this
creepy.
is your
Just
personal
me, or
hell.
does Nico seem salty or something?
Yeah.
Hey, 1 second. I need to get some salt. Let me go annoy Nico really quick.
Yep, you can get plenty. I miss normal words.
Worth it.
Oh my god. The fuck
I
butter?
have to bully you somehow.
What kind of bullshit is this?
What?
Nope, it's not that.
Excuse me, Jesus.
Seriously, what are you drawing?
It's gonna be very obvious.
Not poutine. I took poutine off the list because I had no fucking clue what it was. I took it off the list.
Oh, I had it as an option earlier, so it might not be off the list.
But poutine is so good.
Excuse me.
Oh.
What?
No?
Total termination of
Oh.
big die.
No?
What?
What? The fuck am I
Wait, no?
What?
This is gonna be some bullshit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tendies.
Damn it.
Dang.
What's wrong? You want normal words?
Yeah, I
I
do
said
want
strips.
normal words.
Oh,
Oh my
I
god.
said strips.
I
I was
hate
so
you
close.
so much.
it
Fucking
wasn't a
tendies.
Pokemon this time.
Oh yeah. This slowpoke.
That would have been funny.
No.
Yes! I love this one. I genuinely love this Pokemon.
Oh.
Am I doing good?
You're doing good.
Yeah,
You're
that's a
doing
good one.
great.
This one was guessed earlier, but it wasn't what it was.
But yeah.
There's another cat Pokemon. Is it Gen 1?
Yargan.
It's Gen 3.
No, it's
Gen 3.
Yargan. Are you having fun over there? Yargan and I are just sitting back here being like, it's another fucking Pokemon. Of course its name was Skitty, of course.
Who would
You
have
did say
thought?
some cat.
Oh my god.
nice.
Oh my god.
Oh, I came in third.
Alright, for round 3, guys.
More Pokemon. Just Pokemon.
Alright, we can
Sorry,
add,
Gen 7.
let's add the works of William Shakespeare into the list and see how everyone does with those ones. Do you think
The question is, I don't think it's if it could be guessed, it's if it could be drawn. I think that's the
Of course it could be drawn.
That's fair.
Literally, add more shit like freaking. I can add like Harry Potter fucking characters. I
No.
can add.
That doesn't help. Please. Not Harry Potter. Don't add those. Yarga and I could do Star Wars and Lord of the Rings, I think.
I can do Harry Potter, but
Oh no.
I mean, I
Yargan.
can do most. I can do most book stuff.
I'm gonna do you proud now, and I'm
Mhm.
gonna put some Marvel and DC movies in here.
Are you gonna do me proud? Is that what's that directed at? You're gonna do me proud?
Yeah.
I'm a Marvel or DC fan?
I could
Andor.
also do some anime.
Oh boy.
What about Dungeons and Dragons stuff?
Well, hold on, we already
There
have
is-
the
there
fan
is-
of Pokemon.
There is
Alright, Dead
Dungeons
Ranger.
and Dragons in here. There's monsters, items.
Those are already in there?
every Pokemon.
Then why do we have 1 million Pokemon?
And attendees.
And
They
tendies.
made 1 million Pokemon.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, I'm doing this one. There's
What is
gonna be
this
some
hint
Among Us
thing?
in
Is this a
here.
thing that you can actually get hints in this?
Yeah, so like the hints are like how many letters appear.
Oh, got it. I was confused. I was like,
see,
what
I
does this
see.
hint thing mean?
Oh, yeah, there's some SpongeBob characters.
Well,
You really
SpongeBob, I
don't
know.
these ones. You're gonna.
As
Oh,
long as
no.
it's Gen 1 SpongeBob.
I haven't watched SpongeBob.
You start
I hope so.
you start throwing out like deep lore, like fucking I don't know, Sandy's parents or something that's probably in the newer seasons. I'm lost.
There's like so many custom ones as well. There's like so like there's so many like Elden Ring, Genshin, Rick and Morty. Like people have literally been making custom ones and just adding them to this site, and it's just great. You just grab them and throw them in. All right, so I think that should be enough.
Yeah.
And I'll give you an extra hint. There's an extra hint. And
I mean, if they're Pokemon, I don't know how to spell them anyway. Fucking
But if
skitty.
you have 3 hints and it's Mew, then it's just gonna tell us.
Well, hey, I guess Mew and excuse me, I guess Mew and 1.
Good luck, guys. Good luck.
Hey,
Good luck,
Nico.
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 Oh my god.
Do we want on the next round? Do we want viewers to be able to join? The only problem is you won't want stream sniping for guessing our words. No stream
I'd
sniping.
agree. I would agree if I could trust all of our chats. And it's not that I don't trust people. It's more so a viewer can come up and the first thing they draw is a dong. So you know.
Swiss cheese.
We can hold ourselves a little more accountable like this.
Do we have to say he sucks?
Oh.
My truth is no.
That's dirty. Let me tell you.
Yeah, that is dirty. I agree.
Listen, I had to get the rest of it set up
It's
first.
not wrong. It's not wrong.
Listen,
Just
some of
wrong.
us have to
No,
catch
it's not
up
wrong.
because we don't know Skitty, okay?
Catch up. What about Marker?
Can we draw a little tie to help?
Yana,
Here we go. Here's a
do
little
I
tie.
have a box you can sit inside? I mean, sure.
There you go. There's a little tie.
Got a few cardboard boxes here. I don't know if they're
Cardboard
big
box.
enough for you.
There's a big cardboard box here. I had cans in it, and I've taken the cans out now. So you can sit in that. I have comfy blankets. You can like wrap yourself up.
Hell yeah,
And I
yeah.
have tea and coffee and
Dad was a bad dad.
I have boba.
Wanted him gone.
I have
Boba.
boba. And some boba.
Hold on.
Simon macrodose weirdo. That's so good.
What the
Yes,
fuck?
yes.
Dad, do you think Geppetto's good?
This couldn't
Perfect.
be any better.
Perfect.
Wait,
That's
what?
amazing.
That's so good. And I'm a bad boy and I loved Romeo. And you never understood.
Oh my god.
What the fuck am
That's
I looking
amazing.
at?
I almost perished.
We
What
were
fucking
just
time,
talking
man?
about it. We were just talking about
Would
it.
you like to sit in my box and go?
Oh, that's so funny.
My cardboard box.
I hate this game.
I was like, no way.
Fucking
no
cardboard.
Way.
Oh, amazing.
Kind boy.
It's not a face, Dad. These feminine looks aren't a curse. The boys love me.
Oh shit, it's the ocean.
Get in the water.
Are so silly. We literally we listened to girly pop music and we're like, he would be jamming to this
What?
right now.
It's Noah's Ark. Jesus.
Oh! Wow. Okay.
what?
Yeah.
Oh.
All right. Yeah.
It's
all
very
right,
surprised
okay.
when you get it because it seems like it's just
okay.
a dumb guess, but it works.
Yeah.
All right. All right.
Didn't think that was an actual word.
I like it.
It doesn't even sound real.
I know.
No.
I was like, huh?
Look it again.
I kind of thought it was 2 words, to be honest.
Well, technically.
Oh, you
It's
see,
technically
they're mashed together, you see.
technically 2 words mixed together.
Take the one word, you take the other word, you mash them together and hope for the best.
About that.
Story of my life. So far, so good. Keep going.
Yo, you're doing great. You're doing awesome.
Oh.
That's not it. That's not it.
What? Got it.
You're welcome.
Nico's gonna be using these on us if we get any more Pokemon.
Listen, I like Pokemon. I just hate when I'm in a game and they're all Pokemon. There's no variation. I'm like, give me something.
You know what?
And
We
they're
need to-
deep
we need
pulls
to
like
try and
fucking
find
Skitty.
We need to try and find the game, find a game that is like, who's that Pokemon, and we should all just play it and see if
Oh my
gets
God.
it right first. I'm gonna try and find one.
Is it
That'll be
Slowpoke?
fun.
No. Is it this?
Oh.
No.
Oh!
Is this the fucking pig Pokemon that I'm not gonna guess?
It is a pig.
Fucking
It is
A.
pig.
I quit. Thumbs down.
No.
Oh, you know
Thumbs
what?
up,
It's a
thumbs up.
spring. Is it
Yeah.
this? Is it this stupid? Is it like this stupid of a name?
Yeah.
You're very close, actually.
Your letters here.
Lose the R. Lose the R. Lose the R.
So stupid of a name. I didn't even know that Pokemon. That was a dumb guess.
I had 3 choices and 2 of them were Pokemon. I knew what I had to do.
I was like, it's a spring and it looks like it's a pig.
What?
Oh.
No, what? Is it spelled wrong?
Oh.
I feel so
Yeah,
sad
man.
for you.
I didn't know how to spell it.
Money.
Money.
Crabs. I love crabs.
Are you feeling it now?
Do you love
Mr.
crabs?
Krabs?
Oh, yeah, Mr. Krabs. You know what? It was worth it.
Oh.
Oh.
Wow. Okay, it's definitely not me then.
Oh.
What?
Look at the symbols.
Dude.
What?
That is a very bad diamond.
Oh.
Very bad diamond.
That is a rhombus. Rhombus.
Yes, my favorite card suit, the rhombus.
The
Rhombus.
God, I have to do this quickly. Okay.
Get it. Ah.
Oh crap, I spelled it wrong.
How do you spell it?
Dang.
How do you
Very
spell
close,
it?
Sherry.
No
You're
KN.
Very close.
Vixen, this is beautiful.
Oh.
You get a thumbs up.
The
do you know what I'm
spelling of these things
Oh, nice. Yeah.
The spelling hurts me. The spelling hurts me because you could be like, "Oh, I know what this is. It's an unknown." It's like, yeah, but how do you spell that? UNKNOWN. It's like not in Pokemon world.
Nico, I think you just picked Pokemon at this point.
I was spelling Nico. I was spelling Nico out of unknown. It was the only Pokemon I got. I was like,
What the hell?
Oh wow, it was that.
Okay, I like that.
okay, that's very good. Nico's heart is filled with rage in this game.
Hate it.
No,
Oh.
Nico's heart's just filled with rage at
know.
Pokemon. Anything else?
I have one. Doesn't he have one eye?
He
Yeah,
does.
that's one eye.
Oh, he
Oh my
does.
Wait a minute. This is very wrong.
It was close enough. I got people to guess it, right?
We have plankton at home.
Is this Michigan? It's not Michigan. Right.
What the?
My eyes.
Oh, dang.
You're
Yeah.
welcome.
This is gonna be so goddamn obvious that I'm gonna be mad.
Maybe not. I don't know. I wish I could blend them a little bit. Imagine them blending together.
Let me sit back and kind of squint a little.
Psychedelics?
Or it could be this. Or this. Or closer to this, depending on your life.
What?
Thank you, Ayana. I feel the same way.
Crisis?
Yo.
What the hell?
It makes so much sense!
Oh! Damn it, no.
Or it could be this. We love everyone around here.
I have no idea what this is.
It's a
Oh, it's a
Bruce.
Bruce.
Bruce?
Oh.
Because you know they get yellow when they're
if you'd have-
healing,
if
but they're dark on
If
the
you'd have
outside.
done that, if you'd have done that on a drawing of an arm, I probably would have.
Yeah. I see it now. I know where you were going.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I tried
Yeah.
to pick every skin color under the sun.
All right, Yargan.
It could have been this. Could have been that.
Blind? What's going on here?
At least I know when Yargan is drawing one that it's not a Pokemon that I also don't know. So, because he wouldn't have chosen it. Got it. Thanks, Yargan.
What?
Yargan and I are on the same wavelength.
My first instinct was Cloud Sword.
Oh.
but, you know, we're not there.
Mine was the
I
Dragon
feel-
Slayer from Berserk.
It comes from a bird.
Oh. Okay.
It looked like a leaf at first, so that's where my
What kind
head
of?
stayed.
I know what
Elite
Elite was thinking. He was staring at like, what kind of Pokemon is that? It's not a feather Pokemon.
I saw a leaf before I saw a feather, so that's where I was stuck at.
It's just a bird leaf.
Yeah. What
Worm?
the hell are you?
The new Pokemon bird leaf.
What
What I
the
saw.
hell is this thing? I hate it. What?
What?
What's it called?
Great.
Oh!
This bodes well for me.
This on someone's request.
Nico-
I added this on someone's request. So.
It
If
is not a
makes you feel
Pokemon.
better,
It is not a Pokemon, yes. I
It's
can
not a
guarantee
Pokemon.
you.
At first I was like, is that a three-headed cat?
Oh, yep.
That's what I
Not a
thought.
cat. It's not
a cat.
It is an animal, but
I
it's
got
not
it.
a cat.
I got it.
It's something
Yeah.
else.
It is three-headed. Yes.
Vixen, do I get a box? You get a big box. Yes, and you can
Box
live with
time.
me, and I can cook you some chicken nuggets and have some tea.
Miss Ayana, I will give you the box that I personally drew.
Damn.
That one's for you.
I'm gonna have so much trouble drawing this.
Is it another horse? Is it
It
another
is.
Epona?
I knew
Not to laugh.
it! It is indeed a Pokemon.
Ah, yeah, okay.
What?
You're.
One we've seen it before.
It's the what? Evolution of the one we've seen before?
No, it's the
Nope,
same.
it's the exact
Oh,
same
the
one.
same one. It is the same one. Okay, never mind.
Yep, because I drew the other one, so.
Yeah, I don't remember its name.
It's the same.
Why I fucking typed it? Piece of shit. My fucking keyboard don't want to fucking work anymore. It doesn't want to do shit.
Oh my god.
It missed out the A, and I have to go back and put it in. It's like, nope.
I think I'm just gonna take a break every time there's a Pokemon and go get a drink.
Pour yourself.
I'm just gonna ask at the beginning of the game, the beginning of the whoever's drawing, is it a Pokemon? All right, I'll be back.
If it's my turn and it's a Pokemon, I'll draw a Pokeball for you.
What the fuck
You see
is
the
this?
Pokeball, you know it's a Pokemon.
Is it the fucking
Oh,
elephant one that I don't know the
yes.
name of? Is it the elephant one I don't know the name of?
This is a Pokemon.
Is it Drampy or something stupid like that?
Funnily
Yep.
enough, you're very close.
You are very close.
Drump,
You're really good at
Drumpy,
guessing.
Drumpy,
No.
Drimpy,
It begins with a P. It begins with a P.
From-
PH.
Yeah,
Frumpy.
PH and PY at the end.
Lily, you were so close, but replace
Yeah,
the
PY.
T. Replace
Frumpy.
the T. Replace the T.
Frump.
Man,
T is,
Fanny.
There you go.
Like, I recognize it. It's a great drawing.
Fawny.
Yeah, it's good.
Frampy.
That's good.
God damn it! I fucking hate this. This is like my hell, and I like Pokemon. This is my hell. Finish. Don't waste
How to
my
make
time.
it-
Is it a Pokemon?
Yeah.
All right, I'll be back.
What?
No.
Oh.
Oh.
Got it.
Yep, got
Oh,
it.
what's its name?
Not Marie.
That's a good one.
Nope.
You're close though, Lily.
Very close.
Go. No, it took
There
a minute.
you
The
go.
people in my chat aren't giving me the answer anymore, so.
I can't cheat, so it's not fun. I'm kidding. I'm
Yeah.
kidding.
Okay, Google, what is the water Pokemon that looks like a
Very nicely
mouse?
drawn, Kendra, yes. I spelt it right. I just put an extra letter in by accident.
Marrow! I ran out of time.
Yeah, Maro.
Yeah. Alright, I'll ask Google next time.
I
You
kept
know,
thinking Azurill and Azumarill. I could not get to Marill for the life of me. It took me too long.
It's a Pokemon.
Great.
My favorite Pokemon, Luigi. That's not it.
Uh-huh.
That's not it. Oh, I see where this is going.
Okay, Google.
Yep.
What is the monkey Pokemon
Oh, I
from
hate this one too.
called?
This one.
No, not that one.
Yeah.
What is the purple monkey Pokemon called? Of course, it's Apon. I had that right on the shit.
You spelled it wrong though.
I had that right. I had that right on the tip of my
His eyes
tongue.
are staring into my soul.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Hey, look, Nico got one.
Oh boy, do I want to draw a shuckle? I don't think I do.
I had either
Chuckle is a
Apom
good
or
name to draw.
Machoke. I could have had Machoke. It was like I could have gone a whole different direction with that one.
Well, come on. Lay
I'm
down.
keeping it PG this time.
Beans.
Parental guidance is definitely advised.
Canned vegetables.
Ah, I'm currently dying.
No, definitely not.
Good job, everyone. You know why?
Ah.
It was great because it wasn't a shuffle or whatever the fuck that thing was called.
Weiss.
Do
What?
not ingest.
Weiss, I love that. I love that
Weiss.
Weiss.
Yes.
Come.
Yeah, you don't fuck with Shuckle. I didn't fuck with Shuckle. I chose poison instead.
Chocolate actually probably would have been kind of easy on the easier side. to do.
Altruistic heard, Nico heard pick your poison. He said yes.
Yeah. Who's drawing?
Me.
Is it Pokemon?
It is a Pokemon.
Great. The fart cloud Pokemon.
Oh. What?
Oh.
Whoa, that line went a while, but we're going with it.
How do you spell it?
The fuck am I looking at?
It's got a U.
Got it now.
Not a U.
For that time.
Oh. There we go.
Yeah, it's,
Oh, it's
V
fully evolved, so it's
mu.
angry.
It's V
Grr.
mu.
Oh.
Grr.
I just used the wrong green.
I keep forgetting it's spelled so awkwardly. I never
Yeah.
say it that way.
Yeah.
Welcome to Guess That Pokemon but Scribblio edition.
I don't know why
Two
there's so
words.
many. There's a bunch of other words.
I should just take out all the words and just put generation 1 to 8 in there.
Oh my god.
Oh god.
Do you want to give me an ulcer? Fucking.
I'm gonna give you an aneurysm.
I'll have an aneurysm too.
I mean, I'm definitely.
Oh, oh,
giving
oh,
you
oh,
a
oh.
headache,
No,
our
it's not
next,
that. It's not that one.
It is, but it's not.
Rocket. It's T.
Wait,
Yeah.
it's not. Oh. Is it
I'm
this?
confused.
Yep.
Oh.
Okay. Okay.
This one I feel like is usually one word. Not two.
True.
Fucking justice for Shuckle. You couldn't pay me. You couldn't pay me to draw Shuckle.
You did my boy the Shuck wrong.
I love Shuckle.
Is this
Is it a Pokemon?
It is not a Pokemon.
Damn it.
We're building a wall, and you're gonna pay for it. Ah!
Damn it! Damn you!
Sorry, Lee. I had to go first, you know. It's the one
Ladies-
thing I don't have.
The fuck am I
Ladies
looking
first,
at?
unless I want to win.
Oh.
It's
There
the
we go.
one. It's the
Very
one
nice.
appliance I
Very
don't
good,
own.
Evie.
I
Very
don't- I
nice.
don't own this thing.
What the fuck did I do? You know what? I'm not even gonna question that. Alright.
Weiss, I love Shuckle.
I want
I'm
you to
gonna do-
question it. I want to know what you're questioning.
So Boruto, Sword Art Online. I think Boruto and Sword Art Online were supposed to be separated, but they're not. It's
What?
all one word.
What?
It's weird. Clearly, someone didn't make that properly.
Thank you,
I
Jay.
fucking
Thank you.
know.
through this pretty fast.
Hey, my SP just suddenly wanted to span itself.
No.
Wait. Oh.
No.
What the?
Oh, I get it now.
Yeah, you know I'm gonna leave it there. I think this is it. I think this is good enough.
What is the card doing?
I agree. I see it.
Oh.
It's the Mogus task,
It is an Among Us task.
I'm getting
I
fucked.
could have made it. You know what?
Ah.
You should have put an angry face on the
I
top.
could have done admin.
Among
I
Us.
could've made admin.
Just, yeah.
It's also unfortunate because I have not played Among Us.
I know. I think
Well,
Yarga and I
then
need
it's
justice.
actually Among Us.
I think we need justice
It
for
is
Yarga
indeed
and Nico.
Pokemon, by the way.
Great. Is it Pikachu?
It is Pokemon.
Yep.
Oh.
Sorry.
What sucks is I came up with something that was really good too. That wasn't Pikachu because I didn't want to guess it.
Jesus. I think I might remember what this looks like.
Oh boy.
Is it Pokemon?
It is a Pokemon. Yeah.
Great. It's a Pokemon that you can't remember what it looks like. All right, I'm out.
This is going to be hilarious.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Don't worry, guys. Don't worry. Don't worry. Okay, maybe worry, but don't worry.
No, I don't know because it doesn't fit.
Oh. How you spell it?
Wait.
What? No.
Yeah.
Green flag that says in yellow leg day. So it's always
Oh.
leg day.
Oh, wait.
Oh. I see. Thank you for the hint letters. The hint letters gave it to me.
They say none of us
I think it looks something like that.
You know, you're
It's pretty close.
yeah.
we're just vibing.
That is a blue
Close,
Palkia
Nico.
right there.
Close.
You're close. Switch the L. There you go.
Yeah, there you go.
I think I remember that one because it evolves from Cyndaquil.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's a cute one.
It didn't look like
Yargan. It evolves from the Cyndaquil. Say no
no.
more.
Tate,
Okay.
congratulations on coming
It's a
out.
Cyndaquil.
Congrats, Tate.
What the fuck is a Sonic?
He was like,
What the fuck is it even the?
Yes.
What?
mistress.
Hey,
Wow.
hey. Good job, Vixen. I see you. I see you.
Adriana,
Oh.
recorded.
Oh.
I got you. Got you.
Alright.
That's what?
That was really good.
That was good.
Listen, my
I
brothers
ended
and
it with
sisters,
cheeks. There you
I,
go.
Pistress,
That's
shall
what?
tell you.
All right.
I gotta pop out a moment.
No worries.
Same.
Okay.
I think the puppy's giving Yargan a hard time.
Bort.
Bork.
Bort.
Bork.
Shuckle.
Chuckle, baby.
It's like, please give me anything other than a Pokemon one right now. And I like Pokemon. I'm just like, holy
Oh, no,
shit,
man,
there's
it
so
doesn't
many.
Sound like you do.
I do. I just don't like it when it's every single question. They fucking real deep niche pulls like Skitty. And whatever the evolved version of Jigglypuff was.
Dark Souls boss. Dark Souls bosses. I want to see somebody try and draw for Nita.
That would be tough too.
I'm trying to find the issue with the other one, the anime one.
The issue?
Yeah, there was one that popped out that was like two different animes rolled into one.
Oh.
I'm trying to find it now in the list.
It was Sword Art Online and Boruto, wasn't it?
Yeah.
but I'm trying
So
to
if you
find
just-
it. There's that many.
Press Control F and type in Boruto.
Nico, what the hell? What are you doing? Nico, stay here for a second. I have a question for you.
Boruto. Yeah. Someone didn't put a.
Who wants to look like this?
Are any of your friends?
A comma. They put a.
Any of your friends that think that pick Dora's thing? Are they streaming?
They put a full stop instead of a comma. That's why it was.
Yeah.
Hi, Hobo. Thanks, Hobo.
That should be changed now. Annoy Nico for 200 points?
Yep.
I'm doing it for free.
Oh, what is this? Are
Yeah,
any of
that's
your friends
true.
that are playing the Scribbly, are they
That's
streaming?
pretty cheap.
Hey, Nico.
What?
Wait till we start flipping burgers. You're
Yeah.
gonna fucking be pissed off with me.
Yeah, she's gonna put the burger right outside the building.
Damn, we need those. We need
I'm
those to
gonna
feed the customers.
Stealing them.
Nah,
If I
They're for us.
eat nuggets, they're mine.
I haven't even unlocked nuggets yet.
We are? Oh, nice. All of you?
We have. They're pretty okay. They're like
So if I-
it's
if I fill
5
up the
piece
raid,
though, and I'm like,
you guys
what
are
the
gonna appear?
fuck? Why do I have a 5 piece? Where's my 6 piece? Where's my 10 piece? Where's my
God, he
freaking
is.
20 piece? Where's my 40 piece?
Alright, Nico,
Why is there
I'm
only
gonna
a
do something
5
for you.
piece?
but some Wendy's has 50-piece nuggets.
I'm gonna raid you because I gotta go.
I would so
Dang.
go though.
I gotta go do something.
Dang.
Unfortunately. Crazy's timing.
I don't think they sell them anymore is the problem. Because we used to get those a lot.
Moment at the terrible timing. Except two.
I got so
No.
confused with my fucking time, like my schedule. I need to actually
Guess
make
what? What is it?
a full-on schedule. Like,
Is
I-
this guy still streaming?
I thought I
Who
got
does
scared that
those?
I got scared that I double booked. I was like, Nico,
What?
when were we doing the burger flipping? And it's just like, is it tomorrow? And he's like,
No, it's not for
No.
weeks.
I'm like,
I have to have a calendar now because there's so many things going on.
I got a crazy.
I need to
time.
start
I gotta
like
reply
booking
to
my
it
time because
immediately
it's
I
and
was-
just like,
I was talking with my buddy Dante earlier, and I was like, "Do you want to do something in March?" He was
read
like, "It's February," and I was like, "Yeah."
You're about to answer.
Yeah.
I'm doing this.
The only person I've put separate time aside in case to drop everything and make it work is Lily. Lily's got that
thank
special.
you.
Lily's got that special jump the line thing because we've been talking about it.
I know, I'm sorry.
That's
We'll
okay.
figure it out. We'll figure it out.
Hello, Bori. Good to see you, pal. Bori Raid.
Hey.
coming to join? You coming to join the chaos? We're
He
voting.
did say that he had to go do something, which is why he was finishing his stream. He was like, "Are you guys still streaming?" I said, "Yeah." So he said he was gonna send the raid over to me, but he apparently has to go do something, so that sucks. But anyone, oops, I didn't mean to open up Bori's stream. Whoops. Don't look at these things.
Nico cheating confirmed.
Yeah.
Nico's cheating.
Yeah, look at all the stuff I have open up here. I have YouTube, Twitch, Scriblio, probably the random people I joined, Twitch, Scriblio, Frosty, nothing, me, watching me,
Wait, what?
Vixen.
Ignore the little
Me
black
watching
and
me.
orange
It's because I had Bori's up. Vixen, me again, because I think someone else I was watching rated me, my friend B. Free advertisement for B. She's at the end of Liza P. Congratulations, B. Us and Scriblio. So
Why do you have 3 Scriblios?
I don't know. I keep opening them.
I just love this game that much.
That's right. While I was in there with you guys, I was also in 2 other ones,
Cheating
all
confirmed.
going. I was going in 2 other ones. I'm sadly required for a task. I love you all so much. No worries, boy. Whenever you have time. This is a very low key, chill thing. Let me give you that shout out.
He says. So he says until we get in there. And
Well,
he gets
yeah.
Pokemon.
If it's fucking Pokemon for 8 times. No, I'm just kidding. Even though all the Pokemon have been driving me batty, I'm still having fun with you guys. It's all in good.
I will be
it's all
right
in good
back and
fun.
grab a drink.
Cherry's just like, nah, I don't believe that. I'm out of here. Yes.
It's okay. I'm spamming your DMs later.
Okay. Anyone who is not already following Bori, he's very good people. He plays Minecraft, which I think some people here like. I'm not a Minecraft guy, but he's playing Minecraft. He plays the finals. He plays Cult of the Lamb Vixen. He's further than us in Cult of the Lamb, I believe. So he's very good people. Give him a follow. Very, very nice. And I think he's already probably left, but yes. Thank you, Bori, if you're still here. I forgot there's a cherry tree here. Oh. No, not a cherry tree here. A cherry here. I got confused. I thought it was my girlfriend. No, cherry. No. Cherry berry. Cherry of berry as well.
There you go.
Yes. Yes. Ecto's a lot of fun too. Ecto does some good streams. Also, I haven't done this for the last few because I've been distracted with Scriblio. Oh shit, I don't even... Oh my god. Remember how earlier when I was very quickly trying to get a bunch of stuff done and I was like, I know I'm forgetting something. I was. I forgot to have my streamer stuff, my streamer bot and my fire bot. There we go.
I can't believe no one redeemed that.
Yeah.
Yarjan_Flargin just redeemed treats for the kitties.
What is this? Why did my stream elements give Ayana a hug? From
Becoming sentient.
From Vixen's,
She deserves it.
From Vixen's chat. Love Vixen's introduction to their Discord. Any chance
Yeah,
you could
it's
somehow
coming
DM
for
them
us.
for instructions on how to do that? Probably. Vixen, are you here? Nope. Yeah, Bori, I would say that she's probably down. I don't think anyone here is opposed to helping out anyone else. I'm pretty sure everyone's pretty enjoyable.
I'm here. Sorry.
No worries.
I ran to the bathroom. I ran to the bathroom like really quick. What did I miss?
Bori just asked if you could potentially help him or tell him how you did the introduction on your Discord at some point. If he could message you about that.
Sure.
Yeah.
You mean like my particular like little setup thingy?
I don't know what he means.
The Dream Elements message, maybe, I think. I don't know. I don't know.
No clue. I think
The
only...
stream elements or the template like on my on the Discord? Or
It might be the template on the Discord because he said the introduction to their Discord. Or maybe...
Also, thank you for the hugs, Miss Ayana. If I said that right, Ayana?
Like...
well, you could just hit me up, Bori.
Oh,
like,
yeah.
Messenger.
Oh, actually, I even know how to do that nowadays.
You're onboarding for your community Discord. Yeah, sure. It's actually pretty easy to set up when you set your Discord to be a community. You just do an onboarding process and you can just start selecting different things. I actually use another bot as well called what's it called now?
Yeah.
Probot. I use Probot, which allows me to make embeds and stuff to allow them to choose their roles and things.
Yeah,
Give them their own-
Bori, if you haven't set yours up as a community, you can't do that. I didn't have mine set up as a community right away. And then when I actually watched a video recently on how to like properly get a Discord together, and I was like, oh, I'm not set up to be I'm not set up to be a community. That's part of the problem right there, so. Oh, you did the onboarding thing. Oh. I mean, I'm sure that Bori, regardless, I'm sure that when you have time, if you just want to post in the help wanted area of our little secret secret aspect, so that way it's not always just me asking for help. I'm sure that anyone would be willing to help.
Yeah, it's a quick cinch for me. It's not too trouble to get it.
It's
get
like
copies of
it's
it.
like, guys, I have a new problem this week. How do I get a mouth to open? Guys, I have a new problem this week. How do you do bits for pets, etc., etc.
Oh shit! I
I'm
clicked
gonna
the
do
start
problem,
button.
guys.
Oh no.
What the fuck I'm doing?
So real quick, anyone who is
Sorry.
not familiar with me, I'm Nico Nico. It's nice to meet you.
Looks like we're
The
starting.
About Me is up there. Sorry, we're going fast. The About Me is up there.
I literally just went to click into it.
Anyone
and my mouse went too far over.
anyone who is not familiar with me, I play MMOs, RPGs, MMORPGs, all kinds of stuff. So
Oh yeah.
I know you came from Bori's community, which is a
We're
good place.
always-
So
Is it a Pokemon?
I'm happy to I'm happy to see you, and I hope everyone has a great night. We're just
we're
playing
always
a
happy to
bunch of
help.
stuff with friends, so it should be fun. So yeah.
Ah.
And thank you for the lurk, boy. Is it the Necronomicon? Nope. Is it this? Nope.
I can't remember what I put in. I'm not gonna lie.
Necronomicon.
Did I put?
Yeah, the Necronomicon.
The Necronom-
Is it the
nom- nom-
Declaration of Independence? Is it Stephen? Is it Nicolas Cage? What?
Hold on, we're getting something new. We're getting something new.
I know.
Man, this requires Rick and Morty level IQ.
What?
I ain't fucking clue.
No. What the fuck? Why is the dog playing? Why is the dog bringing shit? Is it dynamite? What's the dog doing? What'd that dog do?
What the
It's
dog
something
doing?
dog brings. Yeah.
Dog brings.
Oh.
What'd that dog do?
I feel like we type every type of reading material under the earth.
Oh,
except
good.
this-
A Pokemon. All right, give me a second. Let me fucking Google this thing.
You might wanna choose it first. You might wanna choose
All
it
right,
first.
I'm doing it. I'm doing it for the fun. You ready?
Do it for the squad.
I can't believe
Oh,
someone got that shit.
God, that shit. I was like,
Oh wait.
again?
Oh.
Oh.
How do you spell it?
No, I don't remember how to spell it either. Oh, okay. There we go.
It's without the second P.
No, it's
Or without the second H, I mean.
Without the
Sorry.
second H.
Yeah.
Oh, I was right. I second guessed myself 3 times. Okay.
Round of applause for Nico for drawing this.
I was like, is that the fucking elephant again?
Yep.
What'd that dog do?
What's wrong with Phanpy? Phanpy's adorable.
That's fine. I didn't say I didn't like the elephant.
Funby is great. Donphan, not so much.
Yeah.
It's not as cute when it grows up.
Oh.
much like a lot of people.
Lily, is it a Pokemon?
Sure is.
Oh.
Oh!
Is it
Yeah.
this?
It's not that one.
What?
There it is.
Yes, it's the other one.
Well, you know, you threw me
I
for a
can't
loop.
remember what the rest of it looks
You threw me for a loop because you gave me the punchies.
Yeah.
No, Bori. 9/10
Oh, I
of the
read it
time,
wrong.
it's not a real thing. It's a Pokemon.
Oh, okay, sorry. It's not this.
Yeah.
It's the other one.
Yeah.
I'm like, this
Legs.
is
It's not punchy. It's kickball.
Like that.
Correct. You know, the thing that actually doesn't have arms.
Some leg wrap.
Does he really?
The other one's
Oh.
here. The other one's here. The other one's here.
Yeah.
Sorry guys, I read it wrong. I read it so wrong.
Lori, 9/10 of the time, the answer is Pokemon.
Hey, is this
Is it Pokemon?
Eevee is a
This is
Pokemon?
not a Pokemon.
Wow.
Oh.
Guys,
Even
I
when
think
it got-
This is why
God, it
Eevee's
is.
my favorite.
God damn it!
I got it this time, at
As
least.
soon as Jorgen leaves, too. As soon.
Jorgen, come back, quick!
Quick, so I'm gonna on the computer real quick.
Someone text him. This cardboard on screen.
Somebody backseat. Somebody backseat.
Alright, let me remote into Yargen's computer that I only do in dire circumstances.
That is a beautiful redrawing.
Yeah?
Thank you.
That is so
Good job,
accurate.
Evie.
The second I saw it coming into shape, I'm like, yes, it's this one again.
Of course, I spelled it wrong because brain thinks faster than my hands.
So autocorrect's for. Alright, Elite.
So about that. Hold on, you should know this though.
Is it a Pokemon?
Okay.
Is it a Pokemon?
Half of an egg.
That's good.
Oh, I don't know how to spell this though. Is it this? Yep.
Yes, well then.
This is Gen 1.
Yeah, it is. I just
It
couldn't
is.
remember how to spell it. It took me a
Do
minute.
you guys remember? Does anyone remember the episode with the giant one?
Yeah.
And like
Yeah.
they had
Yep.
to remove it. They had to remove it because it was just like, this is very 9/11-y.
Yeah, I
It,
remember.
it was also very like, you know, didn't help with the stereotype of Japan and tentacles.
Yeah, really.
Yargen, it was Tentacruel.
How could you, Jorgen? Come on.
Is it a Pokemon?
It is not a Pokemon.
Great.
Damn it.
Thank
Is it
you.
cardboard?
That would have been hilarious.
Is it?
I mean, it's starting to be cardboard.
Is it television?
You know what? Close enough.
Oh, top-down view. Okay. Maybe not top-down view. Maybe top-down view.
Ah, I got it.
The secret to know. Oh. I don't want to go back on Monday. I don't want to go back on Monday.
I don't do that anymore.
God, what do I actually have on Monday? Monday, I have 2 lessons.
Guys, don't look at all
And
my
a
Twitch
meeting.
tabs. Don't look at all my Twitch tabs.
You want to know what the worst thing is, guys?
What's that?
My lesson is at 5 o'clock tomorrow.
PM?
Not tomorrow. Yeah, 5 p.m. 5 till 6. Classes always end by 5. There should never be a class later than that.
I got 4
Oh.
Pokemon here, okay?
4 Pokemon?
4? There should only be 3. There should only
It's
be
impressive.
3.
What did I just type?
And here we go.
Gender.
Charmander.
There's one of
The hell is this?
one of these fucking things.
Is it a giraffe rig?
And then one of these.
Is that how you spell it? Is that how you spell it?
Mm,
Come on! If I can recognize the Pokemon, I should get points. Someone tell me how to fucking spell it.
I didn't know what it was till Nico said it.
I know.
I'm good at identifying them. I don't know how to spell them because it's stupid.
There it is.
Nico, what I spelled, but remove one of the F's.
We just
Remove one of the F's.
cannot
What I
take this
put,
seriously,
remove one of the
can
F's.
Yeah.
Okay, time to
It's the
defeat
same
the
thing
awakened
forward as it
god.
is
His
backwards.
arm is really
See
Looks
what
like
I
cat
do.
dog.
I cheat a little. I just
Oh my
Google
God.
what I think it is, and then it fixes it to what it's supposed to be.
Thank you.
Tentacle, the big hentai.
Is it more
the very
Pokemon?
big hentai.
See, I can identify some of them.
Is it Pokemon?
Yeah, it's a Pokemon.
Oh my God. It's cat dog. That would have been the better answer, Ecto. Where's Nickelodeon movie shows? Put that shit on here. Is it a jack-o'-lantern? Is it a pincer?
No.
The f-
Oh!
Oh!
Oh, what's
I
its name?
actually know
Oh,
that
crap.
one. I actually
Who
know
wants to
that
say
one.
it, guys? Who wants to say it?
Oh, well, if you take slug and you add
There
it
it
to
is.
magma, that's how we named this one. Very creative.
Oh, my Gargan's back.
Welcome, Gargan.
Welcome
I
back, Yargan.
didn't
Excited I
mean
was
to
back.
click start. I didn't mean to click start. I'm sorry.
She's lying to you.
Slug my balls. Nice finish.
Yeah.
Is it a Pokemon? Is it Pac-Man?
Fuck.
No.
No, it is not.
Dorito?
But sure is trying.
Dorito.
Yep.
It's finally the right thing.
I
Finally the right thing.
I went to
I'm
a
gonna help Nico. Bye bye.
Oh.
Good
Who
luck.
said that? Thank you, Kenzo.
Kenzo's coming to help you, Nico.
I need
Kenzo's
help.
coming to help you.
Oh boy. Okay. Well, one of these is a very
Pokemon?
interesting option.
Pick
Is
the
it Pokemon?
Pokemon.
Oh no, it's not a Pokemon because why would I choose that? I like Pokemon, honestly.
Yeah, right.
I do. I collect.
Yeah, right.
I was trying to get Blooming Waters yesterday, and they were just like, nah.
Welcome.
Seaweed ballerina?
Mm-mm.
So, taking stock, taking some mental stock, I feel like we probably should get that item from that guy.
Hentai.
You think so?
Close. Yep.
Oh.
Good job, Lily.
All right.
Okay, so I got it.
You want me to draw some more? I can still keep going.
I'm ashamed to say I got it first.
But we know what you do in your free time.
That's why I'm not streaming, so no one can see my
Getting
tabs.
Dangerously close.
Getting close there, Nico. Hold on, hold on.
There's too many black and orange.
It's not a Pokemon.
I know.
She's gotta have some. She's gotta have some like colored hair because that's foreign and attractive. Tentacles. Making this weird? I sure was. Yeah, no, I sure was. It was just because I was just talking about tentacles earlier.
3 letters.
Nope. Nope.
Those are its legs.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't even get to draw the eyeball.
Nope. You got an eye in there. Good to see you. Good to see you, Kenzo. Help me with the Pokemon, please.
Give them all the wrong answers.
No.
Is it a Pokemon?
It is not a Pokemon.
Good, thank
Lies.
you. Gardevoir.
God damn it. Fucking. Oh, hold on.
Is it a Pokemon?
No.
2 words.
Is it Mr. Mime?
It's.
That
it's-
Mr. Mime looks
hold
like
on,
that
this is gonna be
fits.
so. This is gonna be so hard to do, but it's the best one I had. I think I'm gonna go with this one.
no normal humor, and my abilities were extraordinary. You're a failure too. The ability to read minds.
Oh!
No, I spelled it wrong.
Yes.
Nice.
Hi, Bori. Welcome back.
Nice.
It's the floating eye for me.
Do I have D?
Yeah.
I knew literally the very first bit. I just could not type it out.
Oh my gosh, how many times I typed it wrong?
Do I have D open on
these goofy
multiple
little
streams?
Well, I'm reaching around a plate of my food to reach my keyboard.
I think with these goofy little drawings, I'm gonna start doing the eyes like that. I fucking love it.
Start typing with your toes,
Yeah, that's
Yargan.
good.
It's the only way.
Simon Pistress
Nice.
Manus.
I'm so glad that that worked.
It did.
I already have a hard time walking. It'd be even harder with typing with my toes.
But there's never anything wrong with
I'll just go with the big one.
I agree.
Oh, I do have B open on a different tab. I was so confused. Is it Pokemon?
No, it's not Pokemon.
Great. Is it this one again? Stupid
Wait,
answer.
hold on.
Oh
I gotta
crap!
think about it.
Oh,
Oh, what was it? Son of a bitch.
now I remember.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
I don't remember.
It's so good.
I don't remember.
This is draw the same thing.
It was something so goddamn stupid too.
It was.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's why I don't remember because no one fucking says.
Yeah, Bori. I had multiple tabs open. That's why. It should be good now. Oh, wrong
I'm
screen.
gonna have
Sorry.
to quickly
There we go. Sorry. There you guys go.
Google which one.
Is it Pokemon?
Is it
It is
Pokemon?
Pokemon, yeah. It is Pokemon.
All right. Kenzo's gonna help me.
I tried.
Kenzo, is this that Pokemon that was in Camelot that had like the little talking axe that turned into a bird person?
An angry nightworm?
Yeah.
That's what I'm seeing.
Onyx.
What the fuck?
Why does it really?
Oh!
Peter Griffin.
I hate this actually.
Wait.
I see it, but I hate it.
I can't see it fully. I
Oh,
mean, you're not missing much. All that's down here is stupid legs.
Did I spell it wrong?
It's Gen 3. It's
Oh.
Gen 3.
Oh.
There we go.
Why is this the way it is?
I genuinely do not think you guys could have got that without something.
What is it?
Oh.
Typed argon, like the gas.
It's Aggron. I hated that. It was
No,
painful.
I mean, I saw it. I definitely saw it.
People got it. I don't know what the problem is.
All right, I tried. Yeah, it's.
Jesus, Nico.
It'll,
guys, good.
it'll work one of these times.
Good answer. Good answer.
Oh my god! Can't believe I got that.
Oh.
What?
I know. That's good.
What? What are you getting? What are you getting? This is the easiest one.
Thank you, Kenzo.
Oh.
Thank you, Kenzo.
You guys.
Wow.
Listen, when it's not a Pokemon, I got a chance.
Why am I looking at you guys like that? Why are you being that way? Are you the imposter? Are you the imposter, guys?
Gas.
Because you're acting a bit.
Gas. I think Lily's saying that you have gas.
Get that booty over here.
Get that booty over
Let me
here.
just go through all the vowels real quick.
I had nothing.
He's so
Gotta
sad.
eat.
He's so sad.
All right, good job, Yarkin.
I was looking directly at you guys, you know.
All right, final round, guys. Final round.
Is it a Pokemon?
Is it a
Not
Pokemon? Okay. Wait. Oh.
What?
Yep. I was confused, and then I wasn't.
Oh, I'm so confused.
Good job, Yargan. Very nice, very nice.
Boy, how good are you at Pokemon?
Oh, I see it.
Oh, yeah.
He's got some beefy arms.
Oh.
I got it. When I saw a hammer, what the fuck are these options?
Is it all Pokemon?
No, one is a Pokemon. Oh my god. Okay, alright, let's see if I can draw this.
What?
Jesus.
Holy.
Oh.
Alright, bear with me.
This has to be an anime. I just don't know which one.
Quietest I've ever seen. I've ever heard this
Hi.
game.
I'm
assuming one's Superman. And Hippie Dog.
What?
Okay. Wow, thank you, Vixen.
What?
What?
Oh my god.
Gosh.
That is so tough to try and do in that time
That's
frame.
what it's.
Good job, Vixen.
I would have never guessed that.
It's so tough to try and draw multiple Justice League characters.
Is this a Pokemon?
When you didn't
Yes.
stop at
That's not the right
Batman
color.
versus Superman, I was like, is it? Yeah.
That, and then I started drawing Green Lantern. This is a Pokemon?
Yep,
Is it a cactus?
maybe.
Okay. What's the cactus
Oh,
Pokemon,
what's its
Kenzo?
name?
Kenzo, what's the cactus Pokemon? Everyone's gonna beat me
He
to
has a
it.
hat.
What's it called,
He
Kenzo?
has a hat.
Kenzo, please.
Oh,
I think he has a hat, right?
Oh.
I spelled it right. It's just I didn't put the E.
Kenzo!
Oh.
I hate how that name is spelled. I hate how it's
Kenzo!
Yeah, that's terrible.
Leave the E off.
Oh
the
gosh,
end.
nope.
Whoa.
Things got a little weird there.
That's
Yeah,
not
just get
right.
rid of that E at the end.
That's not right. You gave me bad information, Kenzo.
The last N is an E. Last N is an E.
The last...
The last N is an E.
Got it. I had it first and I'm the last one to answer.
Oh, man.
Kenzo, that was no help. I could have asked Google in the amount of time.
Okay,
Thank you
I
guys
hope that I'm
Is it a
for
Pokemon?
being
drawing
there
this
for me with
correctly
my
from memory.
lovely mouse.
I
drawing.
got it right
Appreciate you
away.
guys.
Oh, the mouse.
Yeah, drawing with a mouse is rough.
Wow.
I love this little guy.
What's his
How do you
name?
spell his
That's a
name?
little goober. Where's a little goober?
Oh.
Look at how little goober go.
That's a
That's
snowman.
about all that I can do
Sit
for
down,
memory.
snowman.
That's not right, Kenzo. Kenzo, that's
Upside
not
down
right
man.
either.
The M's and O. The M's and O.
The M&O.
The M is an O. The M is an O.
Kenzo came over here to deliberately throw my game.
That's insane.
Look! Are you seeing this? He gave me Whomper and then Whopper. He gave me 2 wrong answers. Kenzo, what the hell, man?
Wow.
Alright, well, I tried my 2. Yep. I'm not Kenzo. You're on the sideline. I'm not asking you Pokemon help anymore. I'm going back to asking Google.
Good. I had key, flute, and some other bullshit. They were all simple.
I'm going back to asking Google.
Oh,
Fucking,
player.
I could
Sad.
guess Whomper.
I guess I can do this in here, and then near zero, and then near zero,
Yes, yes.
and then near zero, and then
Mew.
meow.
Is it a
And then
Pokemon?
meow. It's not a Pokemon. And then, can I fill that in? No! Eh.
Oh.
No! I cannot do it! Hold on.
Okay. I saw where it's going. That's really good.
Good. You're doing so well.
Oh.
It's one of the coolest
I see now, yeah, I
songs
see
there
it.
is.
Yes, I see.
I couldn't get over Chicken Dog. I was stuck on it. Like, so bad as a chicken nug.
I thought it was a chicken nugget and barbecue sauce. That's what I was looking at there.
I clicked the wrong button.
You know what? I'll leave it at that.
How do you guys spell Kakuna? Is it that? I hate.
One N.
Close.
Thank you. I can guess the shit. I don't know how to spell the shit. Never in my life would I have thought that someone would have been like, alright, so you know what you're going to be doing? You're going to do a spelling bee, but for Pokemon. Be like, oh my god. I fucking hate that.
That'd be
It's-
wild.
Even as someone who religiously knows all of the Pokemon, that shit's so hard to spell.
Yeah. You spell Rattata? It's not that.
R-A-T-A.
Oh my god! What? It's not this stupid thing again? Is it sushi?
Oh wait, what is it called?
No.
What?
Vixen, are you wasting our time?
Nope.
Is it a Pokemon?
It's not a Pokemon.
It's
Look
not
what
a
the Pokemon is like.
I get it.
I get it.
What the Pokemon look like? What has he got on his nose? It's a big red nose. What also has a big red nose that lives in a white and red tent?
Me.
Lives in a white and red tent?
What? This is a clown. This is a clown. Where do clowns
Is
live?
a white and red tent.
Where do they live? At the.
Is a white and red tent.
Where they work.
Okay, so the clowns don't live in the tent. That's where that's where they
They live in the
perform.
They live in the tent because I have to tell myself clowns live in the tent. So
Where
I
do the
never go to
clowns
the
live?
circus.
In the tent? No, they live in a trailer.
Circus. Look, if I don't go inside a circus tent, that means I'm never gonna see a clown. Okay.
That's where they
terrified.
perform. That's not where they live. Do you live at
They
school?
live in tiny cars. Everybody knows.
That's right. They band together for warmth. Oh my god.
Thank you, Ayana, for the love.
I didn't get
Yeah.
clown from that. I thought you were going for like
You're a
Rudolph, and I
yeah,
was like, wait, Rudolph?
No, Whenever you see me draw that, I'm always drawing a Mew on the last turn. Unless I have to draw an actual Pokemon, I'm always gonna draw Mew doing something stupid.
Okay.
like holding sushi, for instance.
That
Anna hates
sushi one
clowns.
was such bullshit.
That sushi one was fucking golden.
I loved it though.
Which Batman you will find one Vixen? What?
Which Batman?
What?
Watch Batman and you will find one of those clowns.
Oh.
I think.
The Joker.
I can watch them on a TV show. I just can't. Like I can see them in a game. I can see them on.
Justice for Shuckle's back.
I've watched it like a million times, but if I actually go and there's a clown in person, I freak out.
Is that the hashtag that we're gonna use for the recap after the stream when we post on the thing?
I mean, yeah.
Yeah. If I get Shuckle again, I'll draw him just out of necessity. How about that?
No, Yagen,
Okay.
no.
Do we want one last game?
Sure.
We can do one more game. Fuck yeah.
Can we do one more game and have a shorter draw time?
Oh, I should have just done Pokemon. Just nothing but Pokemon.
Oh no.
You have 10 seconds to do something crazy.
You have 10 seconds to draw this Pokemon you've never heard of.
That is Goku.
Hi, I'm Goku.
Got. Nope.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, no, I see it.
Oh. Is this how you spell this shit? Yep.
Oh.
I don't watch anime.
I figured that headband in the hair was gonna be
No
fun.
Pokemon.
Oh.
No anime.
Boy. Well.
Chuckle?
Here we go.
Damn it.
It's like it better be Shuckle.
Good try, good try.
What in the shrimp hell is this?
Oh shit. Reverse.
Whoa.
Fine. You don't want that? I'll do it again. How about this? How about this? I'll try it a second time.
Tulip?
Oh, it's the fucking.
Try it again. How the fuck do you draw music notes? Like that? Is that a music note?
Kinda. It's more like rest, but you're good.
Wait, but
It
this
can't be
doesn't fit.
Lunatone. There's not enough letters.
Oh. Then I don't know what the fuck this is. What the fuck is this then? Oh, I did not know what this was.
Just for that. Just for that.
You know what it was? It's a fucking anime chick.
Oh?
So close to Lupine!
Oh my gosh.
I'm like, I didn't know it either, Yargan. I thought it was Lunatone again.
So, if anyone knows Genshin Impact, Lumen is the female traveler that you play as.
I shouldn't have chose that
Oh.
Yeah.
So what if I just talked with some art tablet and started doing shit there?
Do it.
Was it a Pokemon?
I have not used this art tablet properly since I've fucking gotten it.
I think there's like a little one line that's not filled in. Oh, okay. Moo Moo Milk.
That doesn't fit.
Is it Moo Moo Milk? The fuck's a Verner?
What the fuck?
What the fuck's a Verner's?
Add us at the end.
Verner's?
Huh?
I don't know what a Werner's is. Is it mushrooms?
No.
What?
And then, guys, no, this makes sense. I swear.
It does make sense, and we all feel like.
Oh, wait. Yes. I got it. No, wait, it's not. Wait, what? Is that not ginger?
It is.
Ginger snap?
Ginger snaps.
No.
Ginger snaps. Oh, Schweppes! I was on the right.
Ginger ale is not Werner's.
Wow, I cannot believe I recognized Werner's after the moment. Yeah, that's the.
Where's my Midwest people?
That's Schweppes. I got it.
I'm sorry, I'm Southern. I just have straight ginger ale.
No, I have Schweppes. I didn't have it.
I actually have a funny story about Schweppes.
Were you schwepped off your feet?
No. So back in college, there was we went to like the store during our break, and well, my friend basically we were looking at the drinks, and I was like, oh, why don't you get one of these? And they were like, I can't have Schweppes. I'm like, why not? I'm like, because I'm not old enough to drink alcohol. And I was just like, not alcoholic. It's a soda. It's like a pop, and it's like.
Thank you, Kenzo. You gave me 12 wrong answers on how to spell whooper, but at least we got penciled together. Fucking killed me. I'm just kidding, Kenzo.
So.
Is it a Pokemon?
Yes, but it
Okay.
should be very recognizable. Hold on.
Good job, Lily.
Oh. No. Okay.
Oh crap! What's
Is this
its
the
name?
pre-evolution of Wobbuffet? What the fuck is this thing called, Kenzo?
Oh.
No, you know what? I'm not asking Kenzo. What is the pre-evolution version of Wobbuffet? Why not?
I don't remember. It's no.
Why not, guys? Why not, guys?
Listen, if I can identify
Wait, how
what
do
it
you spell
is.
Guys?
N-A-U-T.
Yeah, like not.
Like astronaut. Why not?
Oh my gosh.
This is not the Pokemon we were hoping for. We want
Wish I could
chocolate.
shove this
Not
one
at
under the
all.
rug.
Look, I'm gonna be completely honest. I would punt this little guy as far as I could if I
Why not?
Very sad. Why not, guys?
Did not know how to spell it. Well, good thing I asked Google.
Is it a Pokemon?
Oh, it is indeed a Pokemon.
Is it Hun-
Gen 1, Gen 2, Gen 3?
Is it Hunter?
I had to try it. That would have been so funny.
Is it a... Is it a whale?
Yeah, I love this one. It's my favorite legendary.
Ain't got this one in the tank.
Mm-mm.
Oh wait, actually, is it? Yeah. Thank you, Kenzo. I'm like, actually, I think I recognize this because there was a mod that you could change. You could change out the lake monster from Resident Evil 4 with this creature.
Oh, there's a mod for that?
Yeah, that you could change out. You
That
can
was a
change
good
out the
drawing.
lake monster for
Very
that.
nice drawing.
That was very good.
Kind of fun.
Mm-hmm. Very nice.
I wish we'd have let you be able to finish it though.
I wanted to finish.
Is it Pikachu? That's
We didn't
not how
play
you
that
spell
one.
Pikachu.
Bam.
Oh.
Oh.
That's not Pikachu.
What's the first? What's the first evolution?
The pre-evolution.
Not
That's it.
Pikachu, it's
Pew.
Fucking small Pikachu.
Listen to Kenzo this time. Listen to
Pichu.
Kenzo this time.
No, I guessed it.
Listen to him. Listen to him.
I guessed it. I guessed it. I was like, take out the
It's one of
Pikachu in the middle. It's just Pichu.
It's one of the funniest characters to use in Smash, and it was viable for like a week. I remember when Ultimate came out, and people were literally using it. I think that was the best time in Smash.
Nope.
Never trust Vixen's Mew.
Yeah, I know.
I have the
Mhm.
best Mew though.
This one actually looks like a squirrel. This
Hey,
gives
what-
me
what my phone
PTSD
make it-
flashbacks from Lily's squirrel with a gun.
Yes.
That game seems fun.
It was a lot of fun. I highly recommend it.
The fuck you doing there, little Mew?
Is that Apron?
What?
Goon.
Oh.
No, hold on.
What
Oh.
am I looking at?
Oh, I see it now. I feel
What's in its hands?
Oh, I see, I see.
I thought it was drinking something.
I thought that was a cookie sheet.
I thought it was a
Sounds like
juice
that's-
box, but
that's
I
a
was like,
cookie
there's
sheet.
not enough spaces for juice box.
The old
Evie, you good?
Yeah.
The most defeated, yeah.
There was just so much silence.
It's like, no, sick of seeing that Mew.
Holy shit, is this also a Pokemon?
Nope.
Good.
Mario Mario's.
Wow, who played that as soon as I did that? Kenzo did. That was perfect timing. Oh, I got you. Shit.
I love this movie so much.
What the hell's the second?
Oh.
What the hell's the second thing?
Okay.
What the hell is the second name?
What is he?
I don't know.
What was that animal? That pink animal that had a cartoon in the past? It was
Oh.
always...
I can't remember.
This one doesn't come in pink though.
Yeah.
Panther. I was like, what the?
Unfortunately.
I had it, and I'm like, I don't know what freaking. What are these? What are these options? Can I get a veto?
This is
Holy
a
shit!
shuckle.
No, it's not a
This is a
shuckle.
shuckle.
All of these actually suck this time.
One of my
Gotta buy a
options
vowel.
was the history of violence.
The history of violence. Everyone gets fun ones, and I get this bullshit. That's it. That's all you get. Yep.
Ah!
Yep.
Put stuff. Yeah. Okay.
It's stupid.
Oh.
It's so stupid.
These my options were this, pen, and tiptoe.
God.
I'm like, these suck.
I'm so sorry. I am so sorry.
I have no damn idea.
Believe me when I say Schweppes was the best one out of the three I have.
You store things on this, but not people.
Yeah.
Those are
I mean,
dolls.
you can.
Those are dolls.
Oh.
What were you writing?
Home Depot. Thank you for following Viking World. Wolf. Welcome in. Oh, Miss Ayana gave me Black Panther. I should have just read hers. I was sitting there for the longest time being like, I don't know what the hell the name of this man is. Jesus, Kenzo. Oh,
Good job,
That one I knew.
There you go.
Heyo.
Nice, nice.
I'm so sad.
Evie?
Hashtag justice for Evie.
Always justice for Evie.
Always justice for Evie. He needs it when he lives with me.
Wow. Let's see.
Yes,
Is it a
Jerry.
Pokemon?
Oh god.
Is it a Pokemon?
Finish.
Is it a Pokemon, Evie?
No, it is not.
Thank you. Is it Tendies?
It is not Tendies.
Okay. Is it this? It's not this either. Wow.
What?
How?
Oh my god.
Holy guess. Holy guess.
All right.
My D&D brain came into play.
D&D.
Ah, I see.
I see it now.
I don't see.
The Old West used to use these.
We've had these quite a lot in our D&D games.
Oh,
lately.
I don't remember. Oh.
I believe my guesses went from donut to the real word.
I have no idea what I'm looking
Back
at.
on the Oregon Trail.
Draw the thing in the front.
Oh, you know Shrek.
Yeah, I know Shrek.
What the? You know what? I'm gonna go with this. Okay.
Oh my god.
Don't forget the bell. Don't forget the bell.
We're gonna do everything but the cross for the last.
Pork.
Oh my god. Is it chocolate? Is it candy? Is it a Pokemon?
It's not a Pokemon.
Okay.
How about now?
Is it this?
Oh, that's not what I wanted. Oh well.
I will 100% provide a box, Miss Ayana. I need all the help I can get right now.
Huh?
Is this some shit Minecraft shit? I think this is some Minecraft shit. Bori, come back. I need help. It's the Minecraft shit.
Tell me.
Oh my god!
We're just talking about
Yeah.
Shrek with parents.
He's like, do you know Shrek? And I was like, yeah, I know Shrek.
Oh.
I met Shrek. I have a great picture of me with Shrek.
I was like, I have no idea.
I have a great picture with me with Sweat. I was so happy.
The timings on some of these is just so.
They're listening to us.
I'll send the picture of
Is
me
it
and
a
Shrek
Pokemon?
later. Is it a Pokemon?
It is a Pokemon.
Oh god. What the fuck is this? Is this the walrus thing? Oh no, it's the big electric thing that I don't know what it's gonna be. Nope, never mind. The big electric I don't think has this thing.
Oh! Stop!
It's a big dragon I don't know the name of.
Called?
Schwarmer.
You did the same thing, Elite. Same thing with you, Vixen.
Oh shit, I didn't mean to do that. Oops. Oh shit, my shit. Fuck my shit.
It has a fever now.
I don't know how to
Yeah.
spell it.
It's meant.
It's shiny, probably.
Yeah, it's
At
probably
one
the shiny
point-
version or something, I don't know.
What was it?
A and Salamence. So the A.
Palkia. Palkia was the weakest thing. Palkia. Effective thing to Palkia.
Thank you, Kenzo. Your timing continues to be impeccable. Literally at the 1 second mark, he put Salamence in there.
Yeah, I tried to tell you to swap the S with the C.
It's fine. I wasn't getting it.
Sick.
Toy. Is
All right,
this...
ignore the Mew.
Okay.
Jesus.
I'm not getting anything else. I'm not getting anything Pokemon related. So, you know. I can take my time with this one. Just saying, just letting you know, I can take my time with this one.
Oh, that's a heckin' dark Mew right there.
Oh, you had to look it up. That's fine. I mean, I didn't know how to look. I didn't know how to spell it either. So.
Dark type Mew.
I'm just kidding. You're good.
What
You're
the
good, Kenzo. I appreciate the help. Yep.
Oh.
Yeah.
The moment I
makes
saw C pop up on the guest this thing, I was like, oh, okay.
We did get that one quick.
Yes, thank you, Cherry. Ice gave it to me.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Oh, this is a lot. Yeah, I guess not a Pokemon, right?
Nope.
Potato.
It's a floating shit.
What the hell? Oh! Yeah!
What?
You see it, you see it. Yeah. God, I do not like Seth Rogen. I wish they used anyone else.
Oh.
Oh. It's a monkey, a giant monkey.
Oh my! He is actually not a monkey.
He is a great
Ape monkey.
He is an ape. Why? Why do I get the worst words? Like, give me something fun. All right, what the hell is this thing?
Do the worst one and then look it up.
All right, I'm gonna do the worst one. It's gonna be this thing. You ready? Great. Let's draw this shit. You ready? Here we go. Whee! Whee! All right, and then it's got a little of this going on. Uh-huh. And then it's got some of this going on, and it goes up, and then it's got, and then it goes, and it's got, and then we're gonna draw it a little bit on this side too. Look at this. And then it's got a little part there, and it goes, and it goes all the way back. Okay. Now that's the main base. Now let's draw the rest. So you got one little thing that goes out here, and it goes. It's got a little arm thing, and then over here it's got another one that it's got a little bit of a body. Let me draw the body. Here we go. It's got this. Yep, great job. It's because I'm doing such a good artist rendition here, and this goes all the way up here.
What?
Ready? And then it's got another little arm. It goes, and it does this. You ready? Here, let me fill it in. That will help. Here we go. That's the arms. Alright, now let me draw a little bit more here. Wait.
I'm trying.
Alright, now it's got this. It's got this going on. And then it goes, and then it's got, and then it's got this, and then it's got some of this. Wow! Wow! That's it! You like that one?
I fucking love it.
You do still get your box, Miss Ayana. Did you like that one, Evie? Was that a good rendition?
Hey, I'm not one of the ones who got it. So.
But you didn't like it?
Gosh, oh my gosh, I cannot
good.
draw with my mouse. Holy. Let me try again. It does have a head like this, though.
Is this a Pokemon?
I'm gonna use the art tablet for the last one.
Is it a Pokemon?
Oh,
yeah.
Shoot.
Oh! I don't
Well,
know. I don't know how.
3 of these earlier.
Is This all pisses me off.
All I remember of it.
Did I spell it?
Is how she.
No.
Yes,
Not
Nico.
Bailey. It's what Nico. Nico, you're close.
Yeah.
It's all green.
Kind of.
Is it?
It's like a
Oh my god.
yellowish green color, isn't it? Wait, no.
I don't really got that
Lighter
color.
green.
There's not really a color we got to make it work.
Yeah.
That's true.
You know, Kenzo, the fact that you have a knack for getting in at the 1 second mark is talent. Absolute talent.
And he also spelled wrong, so.
Oh my god.
We'll try.
All of this is coming from my memory too, guys.
Chikorita. I knew what it was, I just can't fucking spell it.
Alright.
I don't think I'm good at Scribblio. Hate, Loathing, and Kanto, yeah.
This is a Pokemon.
Great. Is it Kakuna? Is it Superman, the Pokemon?
I was gonna say
What?
Gun Penguin, but
Oh.
I hate this thing.
What's it called
A
though?
lot of people don't like this Pokemon.
It's quite fun, but its name is very weird.
I don't know why they even named it this.
Oh, yeah, I know what this
Something like
I can
that?
see this thing, I just don't know what the hell it's called. There's no way I'll guess it, either.
Close, Lily, close.
It's very
Oh,
close.
I cannot think of what it's called.
It's not an E. It's not an E in the very beginning.
Buy another vowel.
Kenzo got it.
Oh my
Look at
God.
Kenzo.
Oh, an A. I didn't even think of A. I was just like, you?
It's a fucking Zangief.
Why? Why?
I was thinking Zangief.
No, my art skills are gonna go to waste. You know what? I'm still gonna do it anyways. Hold on a second. I'm gonna make the best one of these I've ever made in my life. Search the time. Search the time.
That is a man wearing a bun as a hat.
You know, Kenzo.
Not in my life.
That was a great acorn.
great
Good job.
nut.
Good job.
Yes,
I had nut, spring, and line.
Yeah, I don't know what the hell.
any of
I don't know
these.
what those questions are this time. What they are this time.
Oh my god.
What is
Oh
this? Hold
my
on.
god.
What is this? What is this?
You got to start drawing. We only got 90 seconds to get this shit.
Hi, da 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 da, and then da da da, and then
Send me the answer, Cherry. Send me the answer.
I'm guessing this is not a fucking Pokemon.
It's not a Pokemon.
Great.
There's his little cape. I guess there's like a lightning bolt thingy on him.
Oh, what's the name of the?
It is a movie.
Yeah,
I think.
it's got like a fucking. It's got like a fucking stupid subtitle or something.
What was the name of it?
And then there's like
Title to it. It's not just Shazam.
oh whoops. There's like this lady I think with like this crown thing.
Yargan, that was
That's a
great
good guess.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, Yargan.
Yargan is very close. He's missing something at the end of Sajam. There you go.
What?
Then like there's like a lightning bolt between these
What?
guys.
Oh my fucking fuck.
No, no.
What?
Oh, that's
Oh.
bullshit. That is bullshit. I call bullshit.
That is so
Yeah, that's crap.
stupid.
Okay, throw that one out. Throw that one out.
Yeah.
I had no idea that they would allow for like punctuation.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's so stupid. But I guess it is someone's custom one, so.
Never watched it. I don't think most of us have.
I've seen it. It's not worth it. Most new of those movies aren't really worth it. God,
That's dirty. That is dirty.
that's vile.
That one.
Right,
Can't
final
believe we're
one,
doing this
guys.
shit again. We gotta make it good. We gotta make it good. Make it the best thing you've ever made in your life.
Okay.
The final
I
Mew.
hate it.
It's the final Mew, yeah.
The final Mew down.
Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do.
Oh man. I wish it would give us a category.
You're gonna make me sing.
Pokemon.
Is this Pokemon?
It is a Pokemon.
Oh.
God.
I think this.
You
I think this is making me.
freeze.
I think this is making me dislike Pokemon.
I'm so pissed.
Oh my
I'm
gosh.
so pissed. Hate you from me. Fucking hate you from me.
It makes us self-destruct.
Oh man.
Mew is very scared right now.
Those things in the fucking electric plant were wipe like game wipes when you just be like, oh, let me try and capture one. It just explodes and you're like, excuse me.
No, the worst is Abra.
That's true.
You're just like,
Oh
okay,
my
Abra,
God,
it's time,
yes.
and it's like, deuces, bye.
The first time that you saw Abra, it'd be like, oh, this is cool, and it's like if you didn't immediately get it, it's just fucked off. You're like, oh, okay, bye.
Bye.
The worst is when you're shiny hunting and you actually find a shiny Abra, and it's just like you have one chance.
Whoa.
One chance. You don't get another.
I don't think I've ever got a shiny in like in any of the actual games. I think I've only ever got
I've
them in
gotten,
like Pokemon Sleep and Pokemon Go and things like that.
I've gotten about
A lot of
dozen them.
shinies.
I don't even try.
Hi, Lily.
They just pop up.
So
Justice for
I had this was like quite a few years back. This was shortly after
I got a
Sun
pin
and
for you.
Moon.
There you go.
Shortly after Sun
Thank
and
you,
Moon.
thank you.
And I basically always bought every single game, like both like the XY, both of them, like Sun and Moon, because I would obviously want to get the Pokemon from all the different ones. And I actually set myself a task, and I had been doing this for years, literally years, where I was doing like the Pokedex, like trying to get all the Pokemon. And I
Solid 10.
managed to complete up to the end of 3rd generation, and the majority of them being shinies.
Damn.
And I also did like the full, when they did that year where you could go to the game shops and get the codes every month for the legendaries, because they were doing like their birthday year, like their anniversary year. It was like their 10th birthday or something like that, and it was just like I was going through everything. I had put so many hours into the game, and I had collected so many, I'd done so much, and then my sister's fiance stole my stuff and stole
No.
it. Yeah.
No.
I would have thrown hands and then some.
On him down.
I
Hands down.
wanted to so bad.
All right, bye, Kenzo. Thank you. I had a fun time, even though I gave you a hard time. I hope you had fun.
Hashtag justice for Shuckle.
Hi,
Justice
Cat
for
Yummy.
Suckle.
Good to see you.
Yeah.
You know it's funny, Vixen, is that when you were telling that story, I just wanted to interrupt, but I didn't because I'm trying to be polite. Did you know that Lunatone is not the legendary of Sun and Moon?
It is not.
I just wanted to make sure that we reiterate that tonight.
It is quite a beautiful mythical Pokemon, though.
And did you know that Lumine herself is actually not a Pokemon? These are the things. These are the things I learned tonight.
This woman is totally a Pokemon.
I thought it was the same thing. I kid you not. I swear that I saw it and it said Lunatone, so I said, "Great, it's the same thing." It was not. And then when people were like, "Hey, it can't be that," I was like, "Oh yeah, it really isn't. Sorry." Sorry guys. What is this thing? Oh, it's a girl.
Oh, a girl.
A girl. And then I when Ninja Sky or whatever the hell it was came up, I was like, "What the fuck is this thing?" I thought it was a Naruto thing.
Ninjas can be invulnerable, aka only to certain Pokemons.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, it has an ability that it has 1 HP and you can't attack it. Yeah, that's a ninja. Never mind, ignore me. Look, ninjas.
Speedy evolution.
Yeah, I forgot that. Yeah, that's the speedy evolution. The shed one is the one that. Yeah, that one.
Shedinja has the ability Underguard, which means it can only be affected by hazards or super effective.
I ain't got any of this. I'm going back to my red and blue.
Oh, but don't forget about Fire Red and Leaf Green, but also Let's Go Pikachu and Let's Go Eevee. There's 3 Gen 1 games.
Or just Yellow. For that
Yes,
matter.
correct. Yellow was the first Pokemon game I had. And
First Pokemon game I had was Emerald, and I didn't know what I was doing.
having the little
Mine was Diamond.
having the little Pikachu follow you around was the cutest shit.
It also sounded like a fucking horror.
Oh yeah. It also reminded me of I want to say it might have been Golden Sun. I might be mistaken, but I think Golden Sun your followers also like follow you around like that. So I was like, I had played like Golden Sun as well, kind of thing, and I was like, oh, this is like that, and I was like, oh no, it's nothing like an RPG. It's it's Pikachu, it's Pokemon's.
Golden Sun, Chrono Trigger, some other shit.
Yeah. Well, as much as I gave the Pokemon the hard time, I did have fun. I hope you guys did too.
Yeah. I had lots of fun.
We didn't get the meat flaps though.
Yes.
No me.
I'm trying to take a drink of fucking water.
I mean, like honestly, the answers were surprisingly tame.
True.
I don't think there was any weird ones that came up.
You think Sajam wasn't weird?
Well, yeah, but you know what I mean. I mean, like weird. Oh, the tentacles was weird.
I was trying to behave.
The tentacle one was a little weird.
Admittedly, anytime a 3-letter word came up, it was always sex.
Or Mew. The one time it was Mew.
I was watching that chat over there.
It was Mew or sex. Those were the two options. I got it once right on Mew. Well, I have on.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, me too.
I don't think I'm good at scribbly doo.
It's been a minute since I've done something just outright fucking just brain off stupid.
Yeah, I'm glad that you were able to do it and just had some fun. You didn't even have to worry about streaming.
Well,
all
you'll
right.
have to start coming to more of the big collabs.
That's true.
Because it's only
Do
It was lots of fun. Ooh, Gartic Phone.
I have heard good things about Gartic Phone.
What do you mean? What do you mean's a good one?
My
If you really want to get into the chaotic Cards Against Humanity.
Oh yeah.
I will say this though, like Bori did say he did want to do Gartic Phone with me at some point, so like I think he would definitely be down for that one too.
Yeah, 100%. I'd be down for it.
Cool. All right. Well, thanks guys.
No problem. It was lots of fun.
Absolutely.
Do we want to do a big group raid?
Do we want to do a big group raid? We could raid Cass.
That's what I was thinking, because she's only about an hour or almost 2 hours in, so she'll be on for a little while more. It'd be funny to raid her with 1 million people.
Well, I don't know if we have 1 million people, but
Let's all raid.
You've got quite a few.
But it would be fun to do like 5 people raid into her though. You want to do that?
Well, I plan on still streaming,
Oh,
so
okay.
I wouldn't raid, but
Fair
I will
enough.
raid her afterwards, though.
Alright, let's get a raid.
But,
Well, I'm
you
gonna do that.
guys, you guys do your crazy raid. I'm gonna go ahead and head off myself. But thank you for
Yeah.
the fun though. I'm glad that I could be around for this.
Yes,
You all
yes.
have
Yeah,
an
it was
amazing
fun.
Yes.
You too.
Thank you, everyone.
Have a good night, guys.
Yeah, good night,
No.
everyone.
Good night, everyone.
See ya.
No, good night.
Alright, let's see. Can we get a raid message going? We can. Alright, sweet. So I got this for Luna, for Vixen. I'm sorry, for Castilco. Jesus Christ. And then we got this Neek raid for everyone else. Hope everyone had fun. I did. Although, like, the Pokemon stuff was driving me nuts because I was like, oh my god, there's so many Pokemon questions. But I did have fun all the same. I hope everyone else did too. Tomorrow, I will be playing Crowd Control. I will be playing Crowd Control Baldur's Gate 3. So make sure that you're around for that. It'll be a lot of fun. And, yeah, that's what we got. So I hope you guys have a great night. Thanks for hanging out with me on this Saturday night. And I will see you guys real soon. Bye-bye.
out there. Scissor blade, scissor blade.
Okay, we should upgrade this weapon.
Okay, I agree. It really helped.
Oh my god.
Hi, Nico.
Hi.
Welcome in. How are you doing?
All right, I'll go back to the hotel.
How was your collab? Did you have a good time? Got a bit of a headache. Understandable. Assume you've been busy. We just got to the second phase with Nameless Puppet for the first time. Laura did. Laura did. Am I drawing too much attention to you?
No, it's okay. I'm just locked in. We're actually using the electric
Antonia is dead.
thingy.
Yeah,
Doesn't
we've tried a
feel
few
real.
things. And this is what
She
we
was
are trying
sick,
right now.
But her personality was so formidable. The hotel feels empty without her.
Antonia.
I would have done everything I could to help with weapons. Damn it. I'm so tired of people I know dying.
Eugenie.
So you'd better not die.
Okay.
If you want to stay alive, I'm gonna beat you up.
Final boss, Eugenie.
Yes.
You're here. That's
Her?
Oh, it's already +10.
Oh wow, we can't.
Yeah, it's at cap.
All right.
That's okay though. We were trying it with Dragon Sword and it was okay, but Laura had more luck with this weapon. So we're gonna try it for a bit. See how it goes. I definitely understand why the Dragon Sword is recommended though. We could see it for sure.
Okay, anyways, guess I didn't have to do anything there.
Well, you tried. I'm excited that we made it this far though. I was so surprised by how easy Simon Manus was to fight.
Yeah, but then it was just like a warning that worse things were gonna come.